Everyone, hey, how is everyone? Just to let me know. Am I audible and visible to all of you? My dear friends, just to let me know. I want to see fire emoji in the chat section if I'm audible and visible to all of you. Hey, my dear friends, very good evening. Warm welcome. Welcome, vanakkam, suswagatam. जो बोले सोनेहाल सत श्री अकाल वालेकुम सलाम अस्सलाम वालेकुम 11 just to let me know. Yeah, if that's really fantastic. I will clear your all the doubts. My dear friends, your Baba is over here, so there should be no fear. I will let you know each and everything. Okay, but just to let me know that yes, you can hear me, you can see me. The king is over here. Your teacher, Baba H.S.P. is over here. Kids, just to let me know in the chat section. Hi, so good evening. Sudha Manhoran. Hi, good evening, 11. Write down yes, that perfectly. If I'm perfectly audible and visible to all of you. Now, my dear friends, before I move ahead, just let me tell you, these are the students which slide is indicating. The slide is showing all those students, those who have achieved really a great score in their either Neet examination, or if I talk about their JEE examination, AIMS, Neet. At that time, AIMS was also taking separate examination. Those who are new, this is for those people. Yeah, thank you, Sudhakar. So thank you, Sudhakumar. Thank you, Chaitra. Welcome. Harni Singh, welcome. My dear students, Tanishka Yadav, the first rank, a session done with H.S.P. sir, Mehak Arora, AIMS, third topper, Sagar Mishra, AIMS, as well as IIT selected Chaitanya Mittal, and the team, AIMS and IIT selected, and this is, now you should know the name, Mehak's brother, right? Now, my dear students, 715 marks, AIR 5th Neet, right, my dear students? Now, Suez Arora, are you ready for the questions? I will not take too much time. Just we will move through the best questions, and I would like to tell you, I will go with those questions only which are really expected for your this year Neet, and I have told you what type of questions the Neet examination is going to ask this year. So, ready? Let's take the questions. Here is your question number 1. Okay. So, I will go in depth. I will tell you each and everything in detail. Am I right, kids? Am I right? I will let you know each and everything in detail. First of all, you have to mark the answer. Then you see how Baba is going to explain the things. Yes. On your screen, you can see this is your first question. I want to see the answer on the screen. Everyone. Eleven, what is your answer? Shyam, what's your answer? Hey, quick. Third, somebody is going for B. Mahin, Surya is going for B. 11 is going for third. I think third, you are going for the third answer, right? Rest of other students, do let me know. And sit with pen and copy. Kids, you have to make a promise that yes, I'm really going to get this score. Those who are watching it or not, they are able to watch live once the video is over. After that, they are going to watch it recorded lecture, I would like to say. Then also you have to sit with the pen and copy, and before the answer is coming on a screen, you have to pause the video and you have to get your answer. So let's see whether second answer is right or wrong. Now question is, which of the following complex ion is expected to absorb visible light? To absorb the visible light, the compound must have unpaired electron. And to get which is one having unpaired electron, you should know one trick. That trick is d block elements. D block elements in the order. Do you know, kids, d block elements in the order? What's that order? What I'm talking about? Science teacher very crazy man. Science teacher very crazy man. Now up to here, once you have gone through felt, cold, and night with cousin. Felt, cold, and night with cousin. Now this is the elements starting from atomic number 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Everyone say along with me. Science teacher very crazy man. Felt cold in night with cousin. Now, if I talk about, this is their atomic number. So now each and everything will be clear. Titanium, you should know, ethylene diamine is neutral ligand. Ammonia is neutral ligand. Both of them are being neutral ligands. What are neutral ligands? The one who is not having charge on them. Neutral ligands do not carry any charge. So the plus charge, titanium is over here, and plus charge means titanium 4 plus is 0 unpaired electron, because no electron in the D, no electron in the S. Everyone got it? Now if I talk about chromium, chromium 3 plus, here is chromium. I would like to say chromium is 3D5, 4s1 exceptional configuration, but chromium 3 plus 3 electrons gone, 1 from here and 2 from here. So chromium 3 plus will be 3D3. So its number of unpaired electrons are 3. So definitely it will be colored compound. It will be colored. It is your colored compound. Zinc 2 plus. Zinc 2 plus means right now zinc is 3D10, 4s2, but zinc 2 plus will be 3D10 and 4s0. So colorless. Rest of 3 are colorless. Colorless. This is also colorless, so can't be the answer. Only one is the answer. Absolutely, those who have gone for B as the correct answer, their answer is correct. Oh, you want to see the lectures? I will take one shot. So keep on writing. Wow, Visham, you know, science teacher very crazy man. Kids, always write your views so that easily I can understand what actually you want. So one student has written, when I can see the lectures of these chapters. I will take one shot, right? Very soon I will move through chapter wise. So coordination chemistry, one shot I will keep in the morning. From morning to evening, I will take one shot. Near about it is going to take 8 hours. Will you be ready for that? Sahana, welcome, welcome, welcome. Are you ready for that? One shot I will take and I will go through the minute points, right? Now, yeah, B is the correct answer. So next, this is the explanation. Whatever I have explained, here is another question. Here is your another question on your screen. Just see to it, kids. Same, what's the correct answer? Let's see who is going to score. Write down in your copy what's your score. I will take very short and precise lecture. I will go through all the questions which are necessary, which are really important. but you have to see your score. Kids, hit the like button. Smash the like button. As Sahana is writing, why you people are not smashing the like button? Show your attendance, everyone. See, Sahana is writing 21 in live, but only 13 like buttons. Kids, everyone, take care of that. Everyone just take care of that. Kids, hit the like button. You are H.S.P in army, so don't forget to hit the like button, kids. Second, some people are going for C, some are going for 2. Medhoon, welcome Medhoon. No, it's not Medhoon, Madhoon, sorry for wrong pronunciation. Let's see. Which of the following complex ions is not expected? Remember, don't forget not. So, one thing is that how to do this question, and another thing is that how to do it speedily. Am I right? The accuracy and speed, two things are there, my dear friends. Accuracy and speed. I think some people are having accuracy, but they are not having speed. Am I right, Sahana? Two things are required, the accuracy and speed. Those who are accurate, but if they are not having speed, then also it's not good. And those who don't know anything, that though doesn't mean anything for your examination. Wow, that's really awesome, Sahana. That's really awesome. Now see, always keep it in your brain, one thing very clearly. Everyone along with me say song, this song. Science teacher, very crazy man. Science teacher, very crazy man. Everyone say science teacher, very crazy man. Felt cold in night with cousin, because after this, after today's lecture, tomorrow I will take D block. And everywhere, whether I take D block or I take coordination chemistry, this atomic number is very, very important. Very, very important. Everyone, first of all, sing this song. Science teacher, very crazy man. Science teacher, very crazy man. Felt cold in night with cousin. Cousin. If you have a good command on this, so speedily you can give the correct answer in examination. Just see, let me tell you how speedily you can give the answer. Nickel is there. If you know nickel is there, 28 is there. So always reverse it. 82, 3D8 and 4S2. This is the way. This is the way how you have to write down the electronic configuration. Now nickel and cyanide is 1 negative. Cyanide is being 1 negative. First of all, find out the oxidation state. X minus 4 is equal to minus 2. So X will come out plus 2. So nickel 2 plus 2 electrons removed. Nickel 2 plus is 3D8. And if I talk about 3D8, it's not that simple. It's not that simple, kids. Cyanide is a strong field ligand. Cyanide is being a strong field ligand. You have to remember that. A strong field ligand. It will shift the electron toward this side. So let me make this 1, 2, 3, 4. 3D8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, kids, the filling will take place from here and its hybridization will come out. Do let me know if you have done it. I'm not saying only knowing the answer right now is important. If by chance they would have gone for asking for the question that what's a hybridization, let me know the hybridization in the chat section, kids. What is the hybridization? So the filling will start from here and DSP2 is going to be the hybridization. Am I right, kids? I can't see your answers. I can't see green hearts. if you are agreed that sp2 is hybridization and it is having the value of n is 0, so it is colorless, and its Bohr magneton will also be 0 because it is not having unpaired electron. So yeah, very good. One Adu has given, Adu developers, very good. He is the first one to give the answer, Sahanam. Very good, kids. Just dealing with one question doesn't mean that you are going for the answer. You have to go in depth. You have to understand the thing in depth. Which of the following complex ion is not expected to absorb visible light? So it is not having unpaired electron. First of all, we have got this. So first is the correct answer, and you have gone for. Maximum people have gone for what? Tell me, maximum people have gone for what? They have gone for C. This iron, let's see, iron's atomic number is how much? Iron is 26. So what you're supposed to do, write down 62. So 3d6, 4s2. Now let's find out the oxidation state. This is a neutral and weak field ligand. Weak field ligand, remember that. Water acts as strong field ligand only with cobalt 3 plus, right? Now Chasian, that's really awesome. Now see, it's iron 2 plus, so 62 have written. So if I write down iron 2 plus, so remove 2 electrons, I will get 3d6 and 4s0, and that is weak field ligand. So weak field ligand means what? Weak field ligand means simply one randa mono nale. This is Tamil language. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Its value of n is equal to 4. It is having 4 unpaired electrons. So it is colored because it will show DD transition. Am I right or not? Definitely it will show DD transition, kids. I hope that everyone got it. Okay, let me tell you. H2O act as strong field ligand with. H2O will act as strong field ligand only with cobalt 3 plus, otherwise this is weak field ligand. Remember that, otherwise it is weak field ligand. Is it clear to all of you, kids? How many of you got it for the first time? Otherwise your H2O is weak field ligand only with cobalt 3 plus, H2O and oxalate. These are the two ligands, H2O and oxalate ions, C2O4 2 negative. They are weak field ligand. Otherwise with cobalt 3 plus they will behave as strong field ligand. Clear to all of you, kids? Second option, very good, Chaitra. Let me come to the second option. So let me show you over here the second option, chromium. Just see, if I talk about chromium, chromium is 3d5, 4s2, and ammonia is weak field ligand or strong field ligand. It is strong field ligand. Strong field ligand. But first of all, chromium 3 plus. If I go for chromium 3 plus, I will get 2 will go from here and 1 will go from here. So 3d4. So 3d4, if I write down for chromium 3d4, if I take this 1, 2, 3, 4, 3d4, so this will shift. So electrons will 3d4 because that is in need of that only. So it will lay like this. So 2 electrons over here, 3d4. So filling will take place from here, and the hybridization will come about D2sp3, sp3. Its hybridization is d2sp3. The value of n is equal to 0. So it is color, but it is having no n value is not 0. It's okay. Okay. So see, 4 electrons. If it is going to shift chromium 3 plus, I think something is there. Chromium is 3d5 4s2. 3 plus. So okay, this is wrong. This configuration is wrong. It's 4s1 because one electron got shifted. This configuration is wrong. It should not be 2 over there. It should be 1. It should be 1 over there. 1 over there. So see, it's 4s1. It's 4s1. 4s1. So chromium 3 plus 1 from there, 2 from here, 3d3. So 3d3 will be here. So 3d3 and it's 4s0, 4s0. So the filling will take place. Which of the following complex ion is not expected to absorb visible light? Not expected to. So its value is 1 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So the filling will take place from there. The hybridization will remain d2sp3 only, and the value of n will be 3 only. So it will be colored. Chitra, you got it? It will be colored. Got it, Chitra? Is it clear, Chitra? Everything is okay? Do let me know in the chat section. Hari Singh, everyone. Hey, kids. Once the understanding is perfect, I would like to see the green hearts in the chat section if you're really able to understand. Kids, fast, speedily. Once I'm going to explain the question and it is clear to all of you, I would like to see. Yeah, very good question. Adhya is saying it's a strong field ligand. Okay, now see, let me explain. Even though it is a strong field ligand, Adhya's question, let me convey. Yeah, very good question, Adhya. See, kids, let me first of all share Adhya's question. Adhya is saying, sir, ammonia is being strong field ligand, but then also the pairing of the electrons, why it is not happening? This question. Salute. Very good question. Now, Adhya, ammonia says that I need only 2 d orbitals. I need only 2. For my electrons, only 2 d orbitals are perfect. So remember that. Ammonia is saying I will start filling from here. If in place of ammonia, if I keep weak field ligand also, then also the hybridization will not get changed. What I'm saying, ammonia is saying for my d2sp3 hybridization, I need only 2 d orbitals vacant. If they are vacant, I will not force you because I am getting seat. Nobody is occupying my seat. Then why I will shift you, whether I am strong field or I am weak field? Let me explain it in detail. Let me explain this point in detail. See, very good question. Let me divide it into 3 parts. X part, Y part, Z part. 3 parts I have divided, right? Now see, if I say that I am provided with D1 or D2 or D3, this configuration. So I would like to say that maximum occupied will be how much? Either there will be 1 electron, or 2 electron, or maximum 3. So 2 are empty, always empty. They will always be empty. So the ligand whether it is strong field ligand or it is being weak field ligand, whatever the ligand, doesn't matter. Ligand will not decide. Ligand will not decide hybridization. So always be, it will be D2sp3 hybridization. Always it will be D2sp3 in case of octahedral, right? Whether for this case, case X, whether the ligand is strong field ligand or weak field ligand, it will say, oh, that's not my business. Why should I shift? When I'm getting my orbital, I will not shift. I will not force you to shift. Got it? Okay, no problem. Now see, in Z case, D, let's see. Don't say Chitra, no, don't say sorry. It's not a problem. Chitra, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if I say that, which configuration? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and if they are shifting, then here. Now, if one can shift. So, whether it is how many electrons? 2 to 4, 5, 6, 7. D7, D8, D9, D10. Whatever it is, it will always be sp3d2, irrespective of whether it is strong field ligand or it is weak field ligand. Because if it is going to shift, only one d orbital is available. This I am talking about octahedral case. The hybridization will remain sp3d2. Now question arises where the ligand can affect the hybridization, whether the ligand is strong field or weak field. Now see, in this case, if you see this case, case B, case Y, better to say case Y, if I talk about 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now if I say 1 electron, 2 electron, oh, it's not working, so we have to wait for a second, kids. Understood? Adhya, you got it? Chaitra, thank you. Now, so. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now 6, now 2, 1 here, and 1 will come over here, and 2 will come here, right? Now, if I say up to D3, now if I say this is what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? If this is the condition D6 or D4, D4, D5, D6, in these three, if it is weak field ligand, they will not get paired. Weak field ligand, they will not get paired, and the hybridization will be sp3d2. And if they are being strong field ligand, they will get paired, and the hybridization will come D2sp3. So remember that this is the only case, which is going to decide where the pairing will take place, where the ligand will decide. Here only the ligand will change, right? Now, once the concept clarity is there, remember that, let me go back. Once the concept clarity is there, what I need, kids, what I want, just do let me know what I want. Once the concept clarity is there, what I want, do let me know what I want. Everyone just do let me know what Baba wants. Once the concept clarity is there. Once the concept clarity is there, do let me know, kids, what I want. I want green hearts. If you are able to understand, show me green hearts. If you're not able to understand, fire, fire, fire. Fast, quick, quick, quick. Only in this case, ligand will play its role. Only in this case, ligand will play its role. Now, which of the following compound is not colored? Quick. Right now, we are dealing with somewhat mediocre level questions. After this, a tougher level will come. Fast. Do let me know. Very good. Never forget this fundamental thing that you are supposed to show. The signal. Fast, fast, kids. Which of the following compound is not colored? Not colored means no unpaired electron. Not colored means the value of n is equal to 0, no d transition, no dd transition. That means compound will be colorless. Colorless. Compound will be colorless. Now, kids, what are you supposed to do? What are you supposed to do? I am not able to see the answer. Kids, quick. Your future is waiting for your response. आपका भविष्य इंतजार कर रहा है, तो आंसर जल्दी से दें. Okay, kids, first of all, do let me know what is required. The spectrochemical series is required. How many of you really want to know the spectrochemical series? To solve this question, spectrochemical series, if you don't know spectrochemical series, if you're not having knowledge of strong field ligand, weak field ligand, you won't be able to do. So right now, how many of you want that I should write down that spectrochemical series so that easily you can solve these questions? Otherwise, it will take too much time to solve these questions. Write down me. Before moving ahead to solve such type of questions, we should have an idea about spectrochemical series. How many of you want? C. Answer is C. People are going for C. I will go with that answer. I will show you whether your answer C is right or wrong. But kids, how many of you want? Vijay is writing voice is low. Am I audible perfectly? Kids, do let me know. As one kid has written, my voice is low. Just to let me know I'm loud and clear or not. Am I being loud and clear or not, kids? Hey, everyone, just to let me know, your Baba is loud and clear or not? If, that's fantastic. Audible, that's really. So, just if has shown that yes, sir, we need that 11, yes. So, let me show you the answer. Answer is B. But one kid has gone for, Sadhya has gone for C. Madhu is also writing low voice, sir. Loud. So, those C. Vijay is writing low voice. Two kids are writing low voice. 11, do let me know. Yes, Baba, loud. So, two students are getting low voice. That means, kids, you check your system. Refresh it. Refresh it. Now, kids, to solve this question, what do we need? What do we need, kids? We need spectrochemical series. Spectrochemical series. Otherwise, your confidence level will get down, kids. I don't want that. I'm writing here a spectrochemical series, kids. Try to understand it. So first, I'm writing box I'm writing that is having weak field ligands. Okay, this box is carrying weak field ligands. Okay, first box will be carrying weak field ligand. Third box, so first box will be carrying what? First box is having weak field ligand. Second box will have mediocre level. generally weak, and third box will be having strong field ligands. The third box will have strong field ligands. So I have divided in three colors. Three colors, what these three colors are showing kids, what I'm talking about, this will carry weak field ligands. The third box is having strong field ligands, all strong field ligands, all the ligands are being strong field ligands, okay. And this one is suspense, suspense. I'm calling it suspense, right? Kids, am I right? Suspense. So let's see the serial. It's being suspense, it's being clear, weak field, strong field, suspense. Are you ready for it? Right now, that this particular moment, you have to keep this series in your brain. It is experimentally determined series. It's being experimentally determined series. Now see, I'm going to write Indian bro. Everyone say Indian bro Sachin. Indian bro Sachin's child Sarah. Indian bro Sachin child Sarah. This is given in NCERT. Indian bro Sachin's child Sarah. The one is missing in NCERT, that is nitrate. This is not given in NCERT. So Baba's table is very, very important. And I have told you it is experimentally determined. So everyone has to cram it if you want to know in the examination. As I made one video today only that something is missing in NCERT but given in Tamil Nadu board. So this is not given in your NCERT. So what I'm saying, Indian bro Sachin's child Sarah. Everyone say along with me, Indian bro Sachin's child Sarah. Should I write it down? Should I write down here? Let me write down Indian bro Sachin's child Sarah, nitrate. In the night got 8. Nitrate. Nitrate. Indian bro Sachin's child Sarah. I've written it over here. See kids, Indian bro Sachin's child Sarah, nitrate. Everyone say Indian bro Sachin's child Sarah, nitrate. In the night she ate. Everyone, I want to see in the chat section. If you really want to get rank like Chaitanya Mittal, Mehak Arora, Tanishka Yadav, everyone you have to say Indian bro Sachin's child Sarah. I'm not like other teachers who are just wasting time. I want your rank. Indian bro Sachin's child Sarah, in the night 8. And this is missing in NCERT. Let me tell you, this one is missing in NCERT, not given in NCERT. Missing in NCERT, but important. Rest of these things are given in NCERT, but that's missing. Now what's next? Indian bro Sachin's child Sarah, in the night 8. Now after night 8, what I'm going to write? If you are my student, do let me know. If you are really my students, if you are really H.S.P, and do let me know what I am going to write. Fluoride, hydroxide, oxalate, water, NCS. Remember that this is SCN, this is NCS. The ligand, combining thing, donor part is different, ambidentate nucleophile. Now see kids, that is Sachin, this is nachos. So Indian bro, Sachin's child, Sarah, in the night ate. Now fond of oxalate and water in nachos. Fond of oxalate, just like omelette. Fond of oxalate and water along with nachos, right? Should I write down? Fond of oxalate and water with nachos. Fond of oxalate and water with nachos. Fond of oxalate and water with nachos. Is it clear, kids? Do let me know. Fond of oxalate and water with nachos. Everyone say, so that you can keep it in your brain. Everyone, I want to see that you are telling me the same thing or not. Fond of oxalate and water with nachos. Say it out. Oh, देखियो Chaitanya, Kullu, Madhuri आया. Vijay, you are Chaitanya. Are you Chaitanya? Kids, first of all, do let me know your Baba is really working hard or not. First of all, do let me know your Baba is really working hard or not. All these things I have taught. Those who are new to this channel, they don't know. I will tell you once again, I will teach you once again. But before solving questions, I'm telling you each and everything. Now, why I'm telling you this is suspense. These two ligands, focus on these two ligands. Which two ligands? Which two ligands I'm talking about? Oxalate and water. They are weak field ligand. Let me write down here. They are also weak field ligands like that. Weak field ligands. But remember that these two ligands with the cobalt 3 plus, that I will write down on the next page. With the cobalt 3 plus, they will behave as strong field ligand. So let me take one more slide. Let me write down over here what I'm telling you. Although water and oxalate are weak field ligands. Although these are weak field ligands, although water and oxalate are weak field ligands, although they are being weak field ligands, but, big but, I will say, but with cobalt 3 plus, but with the cobalt 3 plus, but with cobalt 3 plus, water and oxalate will behave as, tell me kids, oxalate will behave as strong field ligands. Now how to remember it? What's the trick? Let me tell you kids the trick. Trick is, you know cobra. You know cobra? Cobra, you know? Who is having cobra? In Shivji's neck there is cobra, cobalt, Tridev, cobra and Tridev. 3 plus is Tridev, like Tridev, and it's like cobra. Cobra and this is Tridev. So remember that only with 3 plus. Although the शिव जी की सवारी कौन है? नंदी. और शिव जी ने किसको सफल किया? गंगा. So गंगा is water. गंगा Ganga is like water, and oxalate, ox is like Nandi, they have become successful, in Hindi safalita, in English it is successful. These two guys, the great humanities, they have become successful because of Tridev's cobra. Now you got it. Have you got it? These two will be acting as strong field ligands. Now my dear students, let me come to this one. Speedily let me come to this one. Now, what should I write down? Those who know me, those who know very well Baba. Let me complete the third one. Who is going to help? Let me know, kids. यहाँ पे क्या लिखूं? Those who know your Baba, tell me strong field ligands. EDTA, ammonia, ethylene diamine, and here nitrite, there was nitrate, here is nitrite, remember. Now Cn negative and CO. चैतन्य, आप रेगुलर क्यों नहीं रहते हो? चैतन्य, यू शुड बी रेगुलर. आप क्लास में, स्पेशल क्लास में आप कहते थे लंबे लंबे सेशन लो. यू आर ऑलवेज आस्किंग फॉर लॉन्ग सेशंस. व्हाई हियर यू आर नॉट रेगुलर? चैतन्य, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डू लेट मी नो नाउ. इसका ट्रिक क्या है? व्हाट इज द ट्रिक? लेट मी राइट डाउन द ट्रिक. नाउ educated Neha is teaching English, so night has become right in Canada and Colombia. Night has become right. Educated Neha is teaching English. That's why night has become right. Focus. Why I'm focusing over here? Night has become right. Because this is being nitrite, and there such Indian bro, such is child Sara in the night 8. See, in the night 8. There it is 8. Acha Chaitanya. Okay. Now, see. Educated Neha is teaching English. That's why night has become right in Canada and Colombia. This is Canada and Colombia. It's a long story. Some people are asking why you have left Dummy Academy. That's a long story. I will let you know later on. Okay. So now see, kids, educated Neha is teaching English. That's why night has become right in Canada and Colombia. Now, kids, how's the trick? I've written each and everything over here. I think to give this code, Baba H.S.P is the first one. मुझे बताइए, your Baba H.S.P is the first one to give this trick. Do let me know, kids. First of all, do let me know. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot. There is no one who can give you this trick. And do let me know, really, your Baba is the first one to give this trick. Have you taken the screenshot? Do let me know. Have you taken the screenshot and it's really awesome or not? At least show me some feelings. Okay, now one screenshot has taken. Do let me know in the chat section. Yes, sir, screenshot. We took the screenshot. We have taken. Kids, PDF I will provide. Yeah, I will provide the PDF. I will provide. Great tick. At least show your feelings, kids. Baba is really working hard for you so that it should go directly in your hippocampus. It should get feeded directly to your hippocampus. Once it is gone to your hippocampus, फिर देखिए जिंदगी कितनी आसान हो जाएगी. The life will become successful like this. So this one is strong field ligand. This category is of strong field ligands. These are strong field ligands. These are pro. I would like to say these are pro. This is pro one and they are Nuvia. They are Nuvia. These are pro and they are Nuvia. Now, one more thing I would like to say before I move ahead. Let me tell you, kids, I have written although water and oxalate are weak field ligands, but with this. Now, second point, kids, just see the second point. That is also very, very important. This is the first point. The second point is that all ligands, very, very important. This point is very, very important. All ligands with 4D and 5D. All ligands with 4D and 5D. Let me see whether, yeah, very good, very good, very good. All ligands with 4D and 5D. What I will write? Do let me know what I am going to write. All ligands with 4D and 5D will always behave as strong field ligand, will always behave as strong field ligand. Remember that. Now question arises, why? $1 million question arises, why? Am I right, kids? Question arises, why? So how many of you want to know the answer? Why the ligand will not decide, only the D block element? Because 4D and 5D elements, they have very high Z effective. 4D and 5D, they have very strong, where they are having high Z effective. They are having high Z effective. What is Z effective? Effective nuclear charge. So all ligands will behave as strong field ligand. Now, with understanding that much, now come to the question, which of the following compound is not colored? Not colored means no DG transition and it will be colorless and it will have no unpaired electron. No unpaired electron. It will be with no unpaired electron. Right, kids? Now let's see. This is what? 4 coordination number. 4 coordination number. So you got the answer here. Answer is there. Now let's see speedily why it's like this. This is, see, this element is from which block? Zinc, cadmium, mercury. If you remember, kids, zinc, cadmium, mercury. So if I talk about this is 3D, this is 4D, and this is 5D. What I said, with 4D and 5D, all ligands will behave as strong field ligand. Now see, this copper is 3D. Copper is 3D, so this chloride is weak field ligand, But what I'm saying, cadmium is 4D, so the chloride will be strong field ligand. Am I right? Iron cyanide, you know, so your answer is very much clear. This is strong field ligand always, and that is strong field ligand always. Now, the answer has become easy peasy, lemon squeezy or not, kids? Yes, Chaitanya, Lambi class. Kids, do let me know. The same question which you were really got trapped in that question. Now, the question has become easy peasy, lemon squeezy. बहुत आसान हो गया question के नहीं मुझे बताओ. अच्छा मुझे बताओ यहाँ पे कितने लोग हैं जिनकी हिंदी भी आती है? Then I will talk in English also. Along with English, the same thing I will repeat in English also. कितने लोग हो? अरे वाह चैतन्य, अगर प्रिया जी आएंगी तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, थोड़ी देर के लिए ही सही. Now do let me know how many of you know English. The same thing which I'm teaching in English, I will try to repeat in English also, right? Now, my dear friends, another question. Wavelength of red light is absorbed by the complex. This is tough question. I will say it's a tough question and we have to make it simple. We have to convert this tough question. We have to convert this tough question into simple one or the simplest one. How many of you want to convert into simplest one? First of all, do let me know. You are from Adhya, you are from Assam. Okay, Assam se hain. Keshav, very good. Now, my dear friends, इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस 20 नीट 2026 में भर भर के आएंगे. These are the real questions for NEET 2026. So we cannot take such type of questions lightly. These questions, even teachers are not able to solve such type of questions. But how many of you want to know? They are thinking that it's a cramming part. Maximum people, they are thinking like it's a cramming part, but there is science behind it. Oh, you are watching from Nepal. Wow, Bimla Dangi. Vijay Saxena is from Agra. That's really fantastic. But Bimla Dangi, you are from Nepal. So tell every Nepali people how you're liking it. Really you are liking it? First of all, do let me know. Poll denge, poll to dunga main, but first of all, do let me know. Really you are liking this lecture? Have you subscribed the channel? Kids, those who are new, have you subscribed the channel and share it to your friends? Now, chalo, pehle aap try karo, then I will explain. First you try it out, then Baba will explain. Do let me know. What's your answer, kids? Yes, Chaitanya, yes, of course. But first of all, everyone, Baba is standing over here. And I want to know the answer quick. Let's see, kids. Everyone. B. Anup is going for B. Let's see what other people are saying. Quick, kids. These color-based questions, really everyone is not able to solve. Color-based questions, not everyone is able to solve. So I will make it easy peasy lemon squeezy so that everyone can solve. Some people are going for B, some are going for C, and some others are going for D. Ayodhya, Keshav, that's really fantastic. So all the options got ticked. Students marked all options. Why I was telling you this is tough question? Students have gone for B, C and D. Some have gone for B, some have gone for C, some others have gone for D. So really it's a tough question. Now, how many of you want that your Baba should make it very simple? Just to let me know in the chat section. Show me green hearts if you really, everyone, if you really want to make it simple, write down. Now, Baba will tell you the trick. So, solving such type of questions, color-based questions, for solving color-based questions, you should know three things. Everyone, every student should know three things. How many things, kids? For solving color-based questions, how many things you are supposed to know, kids? Do let me know. 1, 2, 3. You have to sit along with Baba. 1, 2, 3. Three things you should know. The thing number one, first thing is that your spectrochemical series, that you know very well. spectrochemical series order, spectrochemical series order, that you know very well, kids. Right now I have told you that I'm talking about spectrochemical series order, that you know very well. The second thing you should know, the color wheel, that I will tell you, color wheel. And third thing you should know, the oxidation state of central metal atom, right? We call it CMA, atom or ion. Are you listening to WOBA? That three things are required. First thing, the order of spectrochemical series, so that you can find out whether the ligand is strong field ligand or the weak field ligand. The second thing you should know, the color wheel. You should have an idea about color wheel. Yeah, very good. Red, blue. Okay, I will tell you. These three things are very, very important. Now, my dear students, let me tell you, whenever any central metal atom is its maximum oxidation state, that is, if I say 3 is highest oxidation state, and the ligand is strong field ligand. If this is the situation, then always the compound in this condition, remember that in this condition, compound will always absorb, compound will absorb. In this situation, compound will absorb high energy light, high energetic light with maximum frequency, more frequency light, and will emit out low energetic light, low energy light. And this is the only thing which our eyes can see. This is the only thing which our eyes can see. The emitted color our eyes will see. Our eyes will see. This is simple funda. If the highest oxidation state is there and strong field ligand is there, this combination, the compound will absorb high energetic light and will emit out low energetic light, and vice versa. Otherwise, low oxidation state, weak field ligand, it will absorb low energetic light and will emit out high energetic light. If this much is clear, I will show you the case. Everyone just to let me know if this much. So first thing, spectrochemical series already I have told you. Now let me tell you the color wheel. So that everyone can understand. This is the wheel, and let me divide it in parts. I am dividing it into 6 parts. Now, if I say the Vivgure, you know Vivgure, everyone, you know Vivgure. We know Vivgure, and Vivgure is what? Vivgure is like that, Vivgure. And if I talk about which side the frequency is increasing, on which side, so definitely your answer will be this side frequency is more and that side frequency is less. So if frequency is less, then what is more? Definitely that side wavelength is more. So if I say here energy is maximum, or if I say frequency is maximum, energy and frequency on this side is maximum, so that side frequency is less, but which is maximum? That side wavelength is maximum, wavelength. length will be maximum, because we know that E is equal to H nu. E is directly proportional to frequency, and E is equal to Hc upon lambda. Energy and wavelength, they are inversely proportional. Is it clear, kids? Is this much clear? So what I'm saying, I'm writing, this is your color wheel. This is very, very important, kids. Very, very important. Color wheel is really very, very important. So I'm writing here Vibgyor, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Now see to it, kids. The complementary colors. Focus on the complementary colors. Blue is complementary of orange. Blue and orange, they are complementary. Green and red, they are being complementary. Green and red, they are complementary. Are you getting my point? Green and red, they are being complementary, kids. Green and red, they are being complementary. Everyone, just see to it. And if I say yellow is complementary to violet, violet is complementary to yellow. If I tell you, kids, that try to tell me that you are able to understand or not. So your answer should be yes, sir. We are trying to understand. This is the complementary colors. So who is having maximum frequency? This side is maximum frequency. So this side color will be absorbed by whom? This area color will be absorbed by highest oxidation state and strong field ligands. So they will emit out that color, that side color, and low oxidation state people will absorb this side color, means M2 plus, and weak field ligands will absorb. What I'm saying, absorb. They will absorb this side. If they are absorbing this side light, they will emit out this side color. Clear, kids? Is it clear? Is it clear? Now, if I tell you that if I am having any strong field ligand, they will absorb this side and they will emit out that side color. So let me give one example. If I talk about, if I am having something like nickel and H2O whole 6 2 plus, what should be the color of this compound? What will be the color of this compound? Somebody is asking what is the color of this compound. Can you tell me? Kids, can you tell me the answer? No, right now you can't answer it, but Baba will tell you and you can check it in your NCRT. You sit with your NCRT and I will explain each and everything. Why I am unable to see any emoji in the chat section? Kids, where the emojis have gone? Baba is doing such a hard work for you. Your people, emojis have gone. Show me and sit with your NCRT. These examples, they are given in NCRT, kids. Hey, everyone, these type of examples are given in NCRT. Everyone, now see, kids, this is having oxidation state. This metal is having oxidation state of 2 plus. That is lower oxidation state, and water with this is acting as weak field ligand. So it will absorb light like red. It will absorb red light. It will absorb red light. It will absorb red light, and definitely it is going to absorb red light. So which color it will emit? Either green or blue. Remember that. This beggar, Bajigar, oh Bajigar, blue green is to red and red is to blue green, right? Remember that. They are complementary colors, blue green, red. So it is absorbing red light, so will emit out whatever it is going to emit. Our eyes will see. eyes will see. Eyes will see that color. So it will either your what red, it's absorbed red, so either it will be blue or it will be green, either blue or it will be green. Am I right, kids? If you check in your NCRT, so very good. Nivas, have you checked your NCRT? Now, very good. Kids, really, have you checked your NCRT? Now, let me give one more question. Kids are very, very important. Now, another question, if I say, what should be the color of, suppose if I'm writing cobalt, cyanide, whole 6, 3 negative. What will be the color of this compound? Find out somebody is saying find out color of this compound. Find out color of this compound. Everyone, you have to check in your NCRT, whatever I am telling you, that's right or wrong. That is very, very important. It will really change your life. No YouTube channel will be able to tell you these things. Now see, cobalt, oxidation state. X, cyanide is -1, so 6 into -1, and the charge on the compound is -3. So X will come out +3, highest oxidation state, and metal is in highest oxidation state, and cyanide is being a strong field ligand, so it will absorb definitely highest energetic light in your Vibgyor, which is having highest frequency, maximum frequency. So this is having maximum frequency, so it will absorb light from here, or better to say, if I say CGX, ultraviolet visible, so here somewhere ultraviolet is also there, UV rays, it is going to absorb UV rays, and which color it will show here, so in between here, yellow, light yellow, because it will absorb somewhere here, more energetic than visible, means violet, indigo, so light yellow or yellow, I can write light yellow or yellow. It will absorb this light and will emit out, which our eyes can detect, which our eyes can see. हमारी आँखें जो देखेंगी वो ये कलर होगा, हमारी आँखें जो हमने देखी तो लाइट येलो दिल हो गया. Light yellow, this compound is light yellow colored. Am I right, kids? Do let me know in the NCRT. Same answer is given. How to study organic, I will let you know later on, but right now tell me, kids, this answer is right or wrong. Everyone, just do let me know. Yes, if yes, I would like to see green hearts in the chat section. Kids, fast. If you're really liking this, then don't stop writing something in the chat section. Show that whether you are able to understand. Green hearts for understanding, fire for not understanding. Then I will repeat it. Kids, you have to follow what I'm telling you. Green hearts if you are able to understand. Fire if you're not able to understand. Then I will make it once again, because Neet 2026 is going to give such type of questions this time. Very good, Chaitanya. Shyam, that's really fantastic. 1111. Nivas, very good, kids. Now you are looking like H.S.P and army. Thank you, kids. Thank you. Now, your question was, which wavelength of red light is absorbed? So see, cobalt, copper and ammonia. Cyanide is strong field ligand. For this, see, wavelength of red light is absorbed. So for this, compound should be in lower oxidation state, and ligand must be what? Ligand must be weak field ligand. Then only it will absorb such light. So this is strong field ligand. This though we know 5 times H2O. If I write 5 times H2O, then it will become blue. Otherwise, it is white. Without water, it is white. So leave it. Because why? This can't be the answer. Why it can't be the answer? This can't be the answer and this can't be the answer. If it is white, leave it. If it is blue, then it will absorb orange light, and cyanide once again is strong field ligand. So this is weak field ligand, and this is your answer. You got it? I hope that everyone, hey everyone. Now next question, कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? भाइयों और बहनों, देवियों और सज्जनों, let's see कौन बनेगा करोड़पति. So we are moving towards another question. Hey, yes. Now here is another question. The wavelength of light absorbed is highest. Wavelength absorbed is highest. That means frequency must be least. Least frequency light. Least frequency light absorbed. They are talking about absorbed. Light will be absorbed by, least frequency light will be absorbed by. This is the question, kids. This is actually the question. Now, I taught you each and everything. Okay, tomorrow you are having physics exam. So, okay, so you can see the recorded one. Okay, that's really fantastic. You have told me these students, these are the sign of good students. Very good. Now, A, my cool tube, welcome, my cool tube, welcome, is going for A. So, least frequency light. For least frequency light absorbed, the metal should have low oxidation state, lowest oxidation state, and the ligand must be weak field ligand. So weak field ligand everywhere. This is cobalt 2 plus, this is cobalt 3 plus. Can't be the answer. With cobalt 3 plus, ammonia will behave as strong field ligand. With cobalt 3 plus, ammonia will have strong field ligand. With cobalt and ethylene diamine, very good, strong field ligand. Oh yeah, only one is left. So this is your answer. Congratulations those who have given A to be the answer. It is looking like easy peasy lemon squeezy or not? 11, I will tell you which light will be absorbed. You want to know from my side what actual light will be absorbed? You want to know? Exactly, I will tell you which light will be absorbed. How many of you really want that which light exactly? I will tell you. But for that, you have to sit with NCERT. You have to sit with NCERT. That portion where the light is given, I will tell you. How many you are ready to sit with NCERT and exactly what light will be absorbed? I will tell you, kids. Are you ready? Show me fire in the chat section. Different color hearts. I will tell you that magic and I will make you that much intelligent that every one of you can start telling me that which light exactly will be absorbed. Yes. Do let me know. That are you ready? Now see, for here only, cobalt. See, in cobalt, which out of these three, which is strongest field ligand? Strongest field ligand. Cobalt, ethylene diamine, it will absorb violet light, and so it is yellow colored. It will be yellow colored. It is a little bit weaker than this. Ammonia is ammonia is also strong field ligand. Out of ammonia and ethylene diamine, okay, out of ammonia and ethylene, idiot anak means this is a little bit weaker. So I will say it will absorb in between violet and blue. So it will be somewhat look like yellowish orange. Now here ammonia is a little bit stronger than that. It will absorb violet, so it will look like ammonia, So it will look like your yellow. And water is even weaker than that. Water is weaker than that. So it will absorb in between blue and green something. So better to say on the right hand side of that. Just check it out. Just check it out. You got it. You got it. Everyone just to let me know you got it or not. Now let me show you. Let me show you one magic. One magic. Suppose if I write the exact color, let me tell you the exact color asked by 1111. I'm going to share exact color. 3 compounds I'm taking. One compound, nickel H2O whole 6 2 plus. And let me draw the table. Absorbed and emit. Absorbed color and emitted color, right? Absorbed color and emitted color. Emitted. The emitted one, our eyes can see. Whatever eyes can see, that will be the color of compound. Am I right? That will be the color of compound. Now see. First compound, second. You can check in your NCERT also, right, kids? Simultaneously. Nickel H2O whole 4 ethylene diamine. It acts as bidentate ligand, so one is sufficient. Neutral ligand. And third one is, if I say nickel and H2O whole twice, En whole twice, 2 plus. Let me write down fourth one also. All those compounds which are given in NCERT, I have written nickel, all En whole thrice, 2 plus. These are the 4 compounds. Now, how many of you really want to know that exact color? You should be able to understand. Now, see kids. Now, check it out. Are you ready for this? Is everyone ready, kids? Do let me know for this compound, for this compound, for this compound, and for this compound. Let's see, kids. Out of these 4 compounds, everywhere nickel is in 2 plus. So definitely it will absorb low energy, low frequency light, means maximum wavelength light. The weakest ligand is this one. So it will absorb red color, and it will look like, it will either look like blue or green. Bluish green can be the answer, or blue can be the answer, I don't know. Out of these, one option should be given over there. Now, this is a strong field ligand. These 2 are weak field ligand. These 4 water are weak field, and this is stronger field ligand. So a little bit means little bit more energetic light than red. More energetic light than red. What light is there? More energetic light than red. See, more energetic is orange, so it is going to absorb orange and will exactly look like blue. Orange, then blue. Orange, it will absorb orange color light, and it will look like blue. Right. Now this is weak field ligand, and this is strong field ligand. These are 2 in number. So even more energetic light than the same, even more energetic light, then you can see even more either yellow or on the boundary line of yellow and orange. So somewhat over here, orange is yellow. So it will look like light purple, light violet, light purple, light violet, light purple, light violet. So it will absorb orangish, yellow. So it will look like light purple or light violet, like that. Now, all strong field, but this is saying my oxidation is 2 plus, and it is saying I am being a strong field ligand. So boundary line, there will be tie. Ligands are saying I will absorb light of high frequency, but metal is saying I am 2 plus. So boundary line, where is the boundary line? Just see. strong field ligand and weak field ligands boundary line. Here is the boundary line. It will absorb light yellow and it will look like purple. It will look like purple. So, or violet. Just see. It will absorb yellow and it will look violet or purple. Just to let me know, kids. Am I right? I have given you somewhat that you are not able to get anywhere on YouTube. Do let me know, kids. I have given somewhat which is not available on YT. Am I right or wrong? This is the thing. No one can teach you. No one can give you. I want to see your response in the chat section, kids. You can check it out here, NCERT. These compounds are given. No need to cram. No need to cram. NCERT examples I have taken. I have taken NCERT examples. All the examples of NCERT, and no need to cram. There is a science behind this. The science, the magic you can see. The science, the magic you can see. No need to cram. Ratna mana hai. No need to cram. No need to cram. Am I right, kids? There is no need to cram. Kanu Banu, everyone just to let me know. Everyone just to let me know that you are really enjoying this YT channel. This is the first YT channel in the world who is giving you those marvelous things, precious things, the things which are not available anywhere, kids. Ratna mana hai. Arey, wow. Arey, Kanu Vanu, do you know me? Ratna mana hai. Yes. Wow, you have stolen my, what to say, Ratna mana hai. Ratna mana hai. Ratna mana hai. There is no need to cram. Cramming is not required. Now let's move. Ujala principle. Wow. Now this you got it. Now here, how? Awesome question. Awesome question. Many will get failed. Maximum people will get failed in this. Maximum people are going to get failed in NEET 2026. Many to say 99.9%, many students will get trapped. Let's see. You are in which category? Check yourself. Check yourself. Thank you, Kanu Anu. Thank you. Kanu Bana. Mosquitoes have entered into my room, so let me kill them. You kill the question, let me kill the mosquito. Hey, mosquito, yay. I'm going to kill the mosquitoes. You just kill the question. Everyone. Hey, everyone. Speedily. I want to see your answer. Yes, if you are right, share it with maximum people. If you're really liking this session, share it to maximum people, kids. There is no water. I want to drink water. Hey, if there is anybody can provide me a bottle of water, I want to have a sip of water. Hey, Champa, where are you? Your Baba needs water. Thank you, Ififi. Let me see who is going to give the correct answer. 11 is going for A. So see, in the examination, andhera chha jayega, kuch samajh mein nahi aayega. Then who is going to help? The one who is having concept clarity. Okay, next time I will come with equilibrium. What I will do, I will provide simple practice sheets, and then I will come with marathon of equilibrium, right? I'm having one plan in my brain that first of all, I will divide equilibrium into 100 lectures of 15 minutes, right? So that it can help everyone. Chaitanya is going for B. Now 11 is going for A and Chaitanya is going for B. Just check it out, kids. Who is going to give the correct answer? Namish, you are there. Welcome, Namish, welcome. Warm welcome. Oh, Daniel, welcome, Daniel. Welcome. Abhivadanam. So, let me reveal the answer. Namish, welcome, welcome. Now see, kids. The correct order for the wavelength of absorption in the wavelength. Now see, they are asking about the increasing wavelength. So first of all, you have to find out which one should have maximum wavelength. The maximum for the maximum wavelength, kids, for maximum wavelength, least frequency should be absorbed. The correct order for the wavelength absorption, not only the wavelength, remember that absorption also. Maximum wavelength absorption. They are not asking the color of the compound, they are asking about absorption, maximum wavelength. So least frequency absorbed. Least frequency absorbed. Now to absorb least frequency, the metal should be in lowest oxidation state and the ligand should be weak field ligand. Weak field ligand, that is required. This much is required. Now see, nickel nitrite minus, so let me find out the oxidation state. X minus 6 is equal to -4. So nickel is in +2 oxidation state. Here, nickel's oxidation state is +2. Nickel ammonia, it's +2 because it is neutral ligand. Nickel water, +2. Everywhere the metal is in +2. So metal is not going to decide. The answer will be decided by the ligand. The ball is in your court. Answer will be decided by ligand, and ligand is weakest field ligand. Nitrite, you have seen where was nitrite, just see. That's why I have told you nitrite is not given in NCERT. Nitrite is missing in NCERT, just see to it, kids. Night is right, this is missing like that. This is also missing in NCERT, and NCERT missing part, kids, just see. This is missed in NCERT, not given in NCERT. Not given in NCERT. If they are writing nitrite, strong field ligand, nitrate, weak field ligand. Nitrate is weak field ligand and this is strong field ligand. Now see, I have given the trick for this. Those who are joining right now, they can go through this. Now see, the question was this one. This is the question. So nitrite is the strong field ligand. Strong field ligand means they will absorb what? They will absorb high frequency light. So high frequency light means least wavelength. So this should be at the last. So these two can't be the answer. Now in between ammonia and water, water is the weakest field ligand. Weakest ligand. So I think we have to go with A. A should be the correct answer. Let's see. Hey, hip hip hooray! राघव, कल एग्जाम है किस चीज का? सर राघव को ब्लॉक करो. अरे क्या ही ब्लॉक करना है राघव, क्या हो गया? क्या हो गया राघव बेटा? डोंट वरी, राघव को हुआ. यस आध्या, योर आंसर इज राइट And Chaitanya's answer is also right. Very good. Now see, this is all given. You can see this I have given to you. So now another question. Oh, this is really very good question. Let's see, is there anyone who can answer this question? Raghav, no problem. Now, this is really for Neet 2026 a good question. I would like to say a very good question. For your Neet 2026 expected question, I would like to say it's an expected question. Definitely they can ask this question. They can go for this question. It's a genuine question. I would like to say it's a genuine question. अरे पागल बोल रहा है, कोई बात नहीं राघव. वेरी गुड राघव, कोई बात नहीं. See, Raghav is saying sir is best. So all students are God's gift. So just come on. Now, what should be your answer? Red precipitate is obtained when ethanol solution of dimethyl glyoxime, this is DMG, this is known as DMG, dimethyl glyoxime, is added to ammonical nickel 2 plus. This is very famous question. I would like to say it's a which of the following statement is not true? Remember that in the examination people are going to miss this. Not true. What they are asking? Not true, not true, not true. Underline, my dear students, mark this. It's very important thing. Not true. They are saying not true. What is not true? So you know this compound. You will actually study this compound in your practical chemistry. NiDMG whole twice. It is rose type. Its color is rosy red. Its color is rosy red. 2 negative. Nickel in. Now, Raghav, Bishnoi, you are my guru. Thank you. Now, I think A or C. Nivas is going for A or C. Now, let me check it out. NiDMG whole twice. So, very famous compound. This compound is very famous. Now, red complex. This is red complex. Square planar geometry, right? This is true. This can't be the answer. It's true. Complex has symmetrical hydrogen bonding. So, this is very tough. Red complex has tetrahedral geometry. This is false. So, it is false. Dimethyl glyoxime functions as bidentate ligand. Dimethyl glyoximate. Let's see. Dimethyl glyoximate. Now, what is glyoximate? Let me tell you. Dimethyl glyoxime. What is glyoxime? CH3 CH3 double bond NOH double bond NO negative. Definitely there are 2 donor sites. This is DMG. DMG. Its name is dimethyl glyoxymato. Its name is dimethyl glyoxymato. Dimethyl glyoxymato. So 1 negative charge is here. So dimethyl glyoxime functions as bidentate ligand. Its denticity is 2. Why the denticity? How to check it out? If this is going to act as donor and this is going to act as donor, how many membered ring? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the metal 6 membered ring, and it will call chelation. Very good structure you will get. Chelation, ring formation. So this is also true. This statement is also true. So this is symmetrical hydrogen bonding will come out. I will show you whenever I'm going to teach analytical chemistry, practical chemistry. I will tell you. Okay. Now see, this is the answer. Got it? Once it is square planar geometry, its hybridization is DSP2. So it is true. It can't be sp3, so this is wrong. This is wrong, so this is your answer. Everyone, is it clear? If it is clear, you got it. Green hearts. If not able to understand, fire. Quick, quick, quick. If you're not able to understand, show me fire. If you're really able to understand, I have to show me green hearts. Fast, kids, fast. Now, number of students, those who are having examination, they have gone. Now, how many students are there, those who are really enjoying this lecture? If you're really enjoying, you have to sit up to the last question. Write down me. मुझे रोना आ रहा है चैतन्य, क्या हो गया बेटा, क्या हो गया? आप सभी लोग, first of all, either in English or write down in English that up to the last question you have to sit. I'm not saying I'm going to take 10 hours, 7 hours, but whatever time, 20 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, you have to sit up to the last question because it's your life. You are going to write a history, you are going to create a history, so you have to sit along with Baba H.S.P. Everyone, just write down me. I would like to see, yeah, very good, Nivas. Sheikh Jaid, very good. Very good, very good. Arvind, very good. Write down who is going to stay with me. I'm not going to extend this lecture, but you have to write down. Yes, Raghav Vishnoi, 11, that's really fantastic. So let's see. Okay, let me see that. Can you do that? Whatever I'm saying, can you follow it? I want to see the speed of the chat with 200 kilometers per hour. Move it. Let's see how fast you can chat. I want to see the Josh. I want to see the energy. Make the chat should run out with the speed of 200 kilometers per hour. Let me see how many of you can chat it. How can you make it moving with high speed? Thank you, Sheikh. Thank you. That's the spirit I want to see from you people. Now, this is the explanation given, and this is the compound. This compound is having how many membered ring? Just check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5 membered ring. If you can see, this is 5 membered ring over here. Very good. And there also 5 membered ring. The structure is very, very important. And this, if you see, 6 membered ring, 6 membered and 6 membered. Those who are unable to understand, no worries. Whenever I'm going to teach this chapter, I will let you know. Very good. I can see high. Which one of the following is an outer orbital complex? And this is really a fantastic question. Let me write down. It's a really fantastic question, kids. It's really a fantastic. Stars I have given to this question because this question is a genuine question. Let's see how many of you can solve it. How many of you can solve this question? Let's see, kids. How many of you are really able to solve this question? I would like to see in the chat section. Quick. Wow, kids, you are really HSPN. You are really HSPN. I can see the Josh is high. That's really fun. Oh my God, Nivas has given the answer. Nivas is going for 4th. Let's check it out. Oh, great. Which one of the following is outer orbital complex and exhibit paramagnetic behavior? Let's see what should be the answer, kids. Let's check it out. What should be the answer? Now, same. Now see, let's go one by one. Okay, let me show you the answer first. Or should I solve it? What do you want? Should I show you the answer or should I solve it? Okay, I will also solve. Let's say Baba is sitting in the examination hall and Baba H.S.P. is also going to solve because Arvind is going for 1, Nivas is going for 4, my cool tube is going for 2. So 1, 2 and 4 is being ticked. That means this question is required to be solved by Baba H.S.P. Now see, nickel. First of all, I would like to say nickel is science teacher, very crazy man, felt cold in night with cousin. This song I have told you in the starting, felt cold in night 28. Its atomic number is being 28. So what you're supposed to write down? Write down 82. Reverse it. 82. So you will get 3d8 4s2. Am I right? But nickel's oxidation state is 2 plus. Ammonia is neutral ligand. So nickel 2 plus is 3d8 because the electron will move out from the outermost shell. 3d8. Now let me draw 3d8. And how I will draw? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is being strong field ligand, strong field ligand. So they have to accommodate over here. So first of all, I will start filling this from here, D2 sp3, because 6 is the coordination number. D2 sp3 is the hybridization. It will consume S and P. It will consume S and P, the ligand, strong field ligand. Now whatever the space is left, these 8 electrons, oh my god, wrong, 8 electrons are not possible in this. Is it possible, kids? 8 electrons can't come into this. 8 electrons can't come into this. So it can't do this thing. Are you getting my point? No, so I will draw it once again. I have to draw it once again by 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the electrons filling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If it is going to shift, if it is because of this, if it is going to shift, remember that, my dear friend, then also the electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, they have to come over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But only 1D is available to donate 6 electrons. It has to occupy like this: S, then P, then D. Just check it out what I am writing. So ammonia has to fill the electron 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. This is D. So the hybridization will come D, S, P, 3, D. Have you ever seen D, S, P, 3, D? Both the D are coming. This is 3D and this is 4D. This is not possible at all. This is not possible at all. So the hybridization cannot be like this. Am I right, kids? So in this situation, what it has to do, it has to follow this configuration, and the filling will be like sp3d2, sp3d2. The hybridization of first one will be sp3d2 and it will have 2 unpaired electron. Which one of the following is an outer orbital complex and exhibit paramagnetic? Because unpaired electrons, it will be paramagnetic. So before moving ahead, the first is the answer. Kids, have you got it? In the examination, really you are going to get trapped if you're not having this much of knowledge. Other options, if you want to deal with, just do let me know in the chat section. If you really got it, the concept clarity, show me green hearts. If you're not able to understand what I taught you, do let me know in the chat section. It's like your personal class. I'm not like other teachers who are going through. I will tell you each and everything in detail. If you really got it, if you're really able to understand, if ammonia is strong case, Arvind, Vijay, in ammonia is strong in case of everywhere, but ammonia will become weak field ligand where? Let me tell you. Here the exceptional cases I have told you. Let me tell you. This I have told you about water and oxalate. This I have told you. Let me tell you one more thing. Ammonia. Let me tell you one note over here because you have asked one note. Although ammonia is a supple strong field ligand, but with Fe2 plus, or you can remember the trick coffee man nickel, coffee, cobalt 2 plus, ferrous Fe2 plus, Mn2 plus, nickel 2 plus. What is the trick for it? What is the trick for it, kids? With coffee man nickel, ammonia will behave as weak field ligand. The trick is, here the trick is, kids, coffee man nickel. This is the trick, coffee man nickel. Coffee man nickel is the trick, kids. Now, somebody has asked this question. I have given the answer. You got it. Prashat, that's a long answer. I will let you know what happened with Dummy Academy. So I will tell you in detail. Okay. But first of all, do let me know cobalt 2 plus and cobalt 3 plus different. Yes, my cool tube. Cobalt 2 plus. Wow, unknown. Thank you. Very good. Thank you. See, kids, see unknown, what unknown has written. I'm your student and I'm telling you, guys, he is the best teacher. I'm currently in final year of MBBS government college and I scored 170 in chemistry because of him. An exam was like, sir, wow. Gets huge round of applause for unknown and take a screenshot and share it everywhere. See, kids, take a screenshot and share it everywhere, kids. Share it everywhere. See, unknown, thank you. Now, kids, this is the thing. Cobalt 2 plus and cobalt 3 plus is also different. If you see, cobalt 2 plus, if I talk about cobalt 2 plus, with cobalt 2 plus, water and oxalate are weak field. Ligands. These are being WFL, weak field ligands. But at the same time, I would like to say cobalt 3 plus, water and oxalate, they are strong field ligands. This I have told you over here. If you see the trick, the spectrochemical series and the spectrochemical series, I have told you. Yeah, but it's not applicable only where exceptional cases there or zinc and all, otherwise everywhere. Let me tell you, you have asked one question. Let me tell you the reversing one where it is valid. Let me tell you, very good question. So it's a genuine question. So Baba will explain. See, science teacher, very crazy man. You know, science teacher, very crazy man. Felt cold in night with cousin. In Hindi it is Kakka Shakti Vakraman Feku Nikunjan. Now see where it is valid and where it is not valid. If you remember, this is the exceptional case. Its atomic number is 24. It is 3D5 and 4s1. This is exceptional case and this is exceptional case 29. So it is 3D10, 4s1. So these two elements, ignore these two elements. Now see, If I tell you its atomic number is 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, it is valid up to here. If you want to find out the electronic configuration, for your electronic configuration, what you're supposed to do for fast calculation, if you want to move out fast in exam, and definitely you have to go fastly, otherwise you won't be able to solve. Reverse it. On reversing, what you will get? You will get 1, 2, so 3D 1 and 4s2. Reversing it, 32, 3D 3 and 4s2. Iron, reverse it, 6, 2, 3D 6, 4s2. Reverse it, 82, 3D 8, 4s2. So only you see, remove these three elements. This is an exceptional case. You know chromium very well. You know chromium very well. So remove this chromium, remove this copper and zinc. Leave zinc because it's odd man out. It's not included in transition elements because it is having 0 unpaired electrons. I hope that everyone got it. Now, here is another, oh my God. I don't think this question will be solved by anyone. I think my cool tube, you have got your answer. And that's why Baba is over here. I'm here to help each and everyone. Even a single student will get help from Baba. I hope that you are able to understand. Just to let me know. Kids, really, you are enjoying. Really, this is the best channel for your rank. Thank you, thank you. Now let's see who is going to give the correct answer. Kids, keep yourself hydrated. Summers are around the corner. Why, you know why water is important? Its heat capacity is maximum. When we are having too much water inside the body, the external effects are almost negligible. Heat capacity of water is maximum, so you should keep yourself. And if you add something to it, adding something means the lemon, the sugar, the salt, then the heat capacity will increase more because the degree of freedom will increase. And that's why if you add something, if you take fresh juice, everywhere there is science, kids. Now what's the answer? What's the answer? Do let me know what's your answer. It will take time. It's a time-taking question. So remember that. It's a time-taking question. It's a time-taking question. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer. One thing is accuracy, another thing is speed. Chaitanya Maskare has given B. Sidhu is also going for B. And Sidhu has changed the answer, going for 4. Let's see who is going to give the correct answer, kids. Who will give the correct answer? I'm waiting for your answer, kids. First thing is accuracy. You should know how to solve it. Second thing will be the speed. One student is going for 4th, one student is going for 2nd. But let's see who is going to win this. Hey everyone, let's see who is going to give the correct answer for this question. If you say, then I will solve it. If you say, then I will solve it. If this is your pain area, that's so whenever pairing is coming, this is coming, I'm always getting confused, then I will keep on explaining. And if you want to try, you can try it out. So let's see. For d4 ions, the fourth electron enters one of the Eg orbitals given the configuration like this. So this is indicating, O is indicating that it is octahedral, right? It is O is indicating, this O is indicating that it is octahedral. Octahedral complex, the complex is being octahedral, am I right, kids? Octahedral complex. Now in octahedral complex, the fourth electron, so we know very well the T2G and Eg, if you know, kids. T2G, let me draw over here, and let me draw Eg upper side, because the energy level is, you know, if you know, kids, T2G is like this and Eg is like this, and the energy level is like this because it is belonging to crystal field stabilization theory, CFT, and this is the energy. So I would like to say T2G is having low energy and Eg is having more energy. Eg is having more energy. Now my dear students, while filling the electrons, while filling out the electrons, the Hund's rule, the Pauli's rule and the above principle must be followed. But you know, kids, the fourth electron enters one of the Eg orbitals giving the configuration of T2G3 Eg when. So the three electrons, according to them, should come over here and the fourth electron should go over in the higher energy level. This can happen only when your ligand, to make this possible, your ligand should be, tell me the answer in the chat, your ligand should be strong field or weak field. If you are really with me, because this YouTube channel means that you should move with me, the ligand should be strong field or weak field. The answer will come out, weak field ligand should be there. If the weak field ligand is there, it will say, okay, you go. If this would have been a strong field ligand, then the pairing will take place. Pairing would have taken place. Now, why weak field ligand is not able to do the pairing? Because it's the energy, extra energy required, that is more. Because electrons, they are having negative charge, there is repulsion. Electrons never want to pair together. As long as if the freedom is available, electron will say, I will remain far away, because electrons are negatively charged and they are repulsion. And if somebody is saying, hey, you want to move away, I will apply force. As like in your home, you don't want to study, then your parents are applying force. Hey, where are you going? Sit together. Brother and sister, they have to sit together. Two brothers, they have to sit together under some force. Otherwise, somebody is going to watch movies, somebody is going here and there. So the energy applied from outside, if that is more, then only the pairing will take place. So strong field ligands, they say, hey, I will force you to get paired. But weak field ligand, they are not having that much of energy. That means, in this case, the pairing energy is less. Pairing energy is less than pairing energy. The energy required to make a pair is less than octahedral energy. Octahedral energy, octahedral energy. This option you have to search for because of weak field ligand. Which option it is given? The pairing energy is less. Pairing energy is less. Which option? Which option, kids? Which option we have to move? Which option? C. What? Let me check it out. For D4, the fourth electron enters one of the Eg orbitals, giving the configuration like this. When? So the answer should be pairing energy should be less. pairing energy should be less, then only this is possible. So pairing energy is given more on the basis of CH3 for T4 ions if the pairing energy, oh yeah, right. I'm telling you correctly, but I have marked this wrong. The energy required is more because pairing energy, the energy required to make the pair is more, so pairing is not able to take place. They are not having weak field ligands are not having that much of energy. They are not having enough pairing energy to form a pair, So pairing energy required, this is the required energy. So required energy is more. Suppose if I say, let me tell you this thing where maximum people are doing mistake. Suppose if I say the pizza is of 500 rupees. If I say this is the pizza is of 500 rupees, and Champa is having 300 rupees. What do you think it's? Or 30 rupees only. Champa is having 30 rupees only. So the required money is more, so she will not be able to eat pizza. Required money is more. Are you getting my point? Required money is more. So Champa won't be able to eat pizza because she is having just 30 rupees and pizza is of 500 rupees. So pairing won't be take place. Champa wants to sit with Pandu. To have a pizza, but they are having just 30 rupees, so required energy is more, so pairing will not take place. The energy required to form a pair, right? Got it, kids? How many of you got it? This is the really a best example or not? Are you able to understand? The energy required for pairing is more, so pairing can't take place. How many of you got it? This is really a genuine question, and take care of marking arrow. Once you got the answer, then also if you are marking wrong, just like me also, I have done this mistake, kids. You got it? Option 4. This is experimental. These two are not required for your syllabus. They are beyond your syllabus. Not for you. Not for exam. Not for syllabus. They are very good thing, but not required for you. But a genuine question asked by somebody, Sujat, Nikhil, it's a very good question asked by you, but they are not required for you. Either pairing energy or not pairing energy. These two you have to go through. These two are important for you, right? These two you have to go with. Got it? Now next question. Are bhai, at least show me green hearts if you're really able to understand. If you're not able to understand, fire. Such a great question explained by Baba. Such a great example I have shown you. So at least show me some green hearts if you're really able to understand. Otherwise, fire if you're not able to understand. Then only Baba will switch to another question. Here is your answer. And this is written. And have water, kids. Time to time, take sip of water. Not too much water at single go. Small amount of water. Sip of water. 2-3 sips of water you can take. Right? Now, kids, first of all, do let me know how is the Josh. The Josh should look in the chat. The chat should run out with the speed of 1 lakh kilometer per hour. Zoom, make it jet plane. Let's see what are the emojis you are having. So, yes, I want to see the chat should running with Josh. Then only while solving the question, we will see the Josh. Kids, hey, everyone. Come on, kids. Come on, hey, everyone. Hi. That hi Josh should reflect in the chat. Chat should run out speedily. That means the chat should. And if you're not able to understand, frankly, guys, everyone, you can show me fire. I will explain it once again. Now, here is another question. Let's see who is going to crystal field stabilization energy, crystal field stabilization theory. That means a lot, kids. Lot. Very good, kids. Very good. That's really awesome. That's fantastic. Hare Gajab, Chaitanya, Gajab. Very good. Hey, everyone, salute. Kids, salute. And call your friends. If you're really liking, if you're really enjoying it, hit the like button and call your friends. V Sham, fantastic. 1111, fantastic. Now, what is the correct electronic configuration of the central metal atom in this? Wow, nice question. It's the most frequently asked question. I would like to say option A, Baba. Oh, Madhu has given the answer. I don't know whether it's right or wrong answer, but so fast. Option A. Madhu is going for option A. Let me check it out what other students are telling me. What, according to them, what should be the correct answer? Kids, do let me know. Fast, speedily. Only one answer I have received till now. Only one answer I have got it. Now let's see what should be the correct answer. Now K4FeCN6. First of all, the first thing which I'm supposed to do, take it out, iron. Now, in the examination, what you're supposed to do? Science teacher, very crazy man. Everyone sing with me. Science teacher, now see, Sham is going for 4 and Madhu is going for 11 is going with A. Maximum students are going for A and Sham is going for 4. Let's see. Science teacher, very crazy man, felt cold. So atomic number 26. Am I right? 26. So just reverse it. It will become 62. Now what you're supposed to do? 3d6, 4s2. Is it okay? Now find out the oxidation state. Second thing is find out the oxidation state. So 4 plus x plus 6 into -1. No charge on the compound, 0. So x will come out +2. So eliminate out 2 electrons from this. So what you will get? Fe2 plus. So you will get 3d6, 4s0, right? Now find out cyanide, the ligand. The ligand is strong field ligand or weak field ligand? Do let me know. Ligand is cyanide negative and it is being strong field ligand. So if I say without ligand, the situation would have been free cation situation would be like this. If I say free cation, if it would have been free, the situation would have been like this. 6. So I have to fill 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This I'm talking about free Fe2 plus, but it is not free. It is in combined state. So if I say combined state, the strong field ligand, that cyanide, because it is strong field ligand, it will say, hey, there is central metal atom and in the center there is plus 26 protons. My electrons should go nearest to the central metal atom. Who is saying that? Cyanide is saying. So it will say, hey, you get paired. Just get paired. I want to fill my electrons. So under the influence of cyanide, they will get over here. So under the influence of cyanide, it will be like this. So the cyanide will start filling its electrons in this way. Cyanide will start filling electrons in this way. I hope that everyone is able to understand. So the hybridization is D2sp3 and no unpaired electrons, so dimagnetism. So what they are saying, central atom. So, oh, now kids, now, oh my God, they are asking about T2G and EG. What should we do? All the electrons got filled in T2G only. No electron has gone in EG, so all the electrons are in this T2G. So what answer? T2G 6. These are T2G, T2G. These are EG. So it's central metal atoms, ions, electron are in T2G. So this one should be correct. Those who have gone with this answer, congratulations. Whose answer is correct? Green hearts. Who have missed it, fire. Ify, thank you. Those who have got the correct answer, I want to see green hearts. Those who have missed it, fire in the chat section. Kids, fast, fast, fast. Let's see how many have got done it correctly, how many have missed it out. Speedily, speedily. Then only I will switch to another question. Kids, speed, increase the speed, and do let me know. If got wrong answer, very good. I salute to your transparency. 11 got it done correctly, and Sujatan has done it correctly. That's really fantastic. So now, oh, this is a really awesome question. Awesome question. Fantabulous question. Fantabulous. Fantastic question, kids. It's a fantastic question. Really awesome. Really awesome. Let's see who is going to get the correct answer for it. It's really a good question. Or I would like to say it's a most frequently asked question. Most frequently asked question. It's the most frequently asked question, kids. So let's see who is going to get the correct answer for this. Do let me know, kids. Do let me know. 18,000. Madhu is going for 18,000. That is third. 8,000 or 18,000. Both options are given over there. Sujat is going for third option. Third. Let's see who is going to get the correct answer. Now remember one formula. For solving this question, the formula is, what formula you have to remember, that is, kids, now when you have studied octahedral and tetrahedral, in octahedral there were 6 ligands, in tetrahedral 4 ligands, and in octahedral the ligands were approaching directly on the axis where metals electrons were present, so more repulsion was there. So the energy of octahedral is more and tetrahedral is less. So tetrahedral, if I say that tetrahedral, so suppose if I say tetrahedral and octahedral, whose energy is more? Definitely this. So this is less. So I would like to say it's equal to 4/9 of that of octahedral. Now how will you remember? In Hindi there is chohanni or chorni, but English upper side 4, downside 9. How will you remember? Funny, no, funny, in funny F is there. 4 and 9. What will you say? What will you say for 4 and 9? 4 and 9. Make a trick. Make a formula for this. Let's see who can make a formula for this. 4 and 9. Who can make a formula for this? Do let me know, kids. I would like to see who is going to make formula for this. 4 and 9. Upper side 4, downside 9. 4, 9, 4, 9, 4, 9, 4, 9, 4, 9, 4, 9, 4, 9, 4, 9, 4, 9. So, octahedral is given this much. Octahedral is given how much? 18,000. 18,000. So what you're supposed to do, you know, simple maths. 9 2s are 18, 4 2s are 8, 8, then 1000. Yay! Really awesome. Really option. Teacher is fine and awesome. Adhya, teacher is fine and awesome. Fine and awesome. Fine and awesome. Wow. This is awesome. This is teacher is fine. Fine. Oh my God. Oh, Adhya made a very, very good trick. Teacher is fine and awesome. Awesome. 4 and 9. Fine and awesome. Claps. Everyone, huge round of applause for Adhya. Adhya made a very good trick. Now, it's written over there. Now you can see, you can check it out, what's written, what's given over there. Everyone, now see, let's move towards another question. Once again, this is nice question. I have given each and everything. Oh my God, Adhya, wow, teacher is tetrahedral is equal to wow. Wow, wow, wow. Now, this question, once again, a genuine question. I would like to say it's a genuine question and most frequently asked question. Most frequently asked question. It's a most frequently asked question. It's a most frequently asked question. Let's see who can answer it. Let's see who can answer it. Let me check it out how accurately and how speedily you can answer it. Kids, how speedily and how accurately you can answer it. Speed should be more. Let's check it out who is going to give the correct answer, kids. Third, Sujat is going for third. Chaitanya Muskre is also going for everyone is going for C. Let me check it out that you are really awesome with this question's answer. What will be the correct order of absorption of wavelength? Absorption of wavelength. That means least energetic light in the visible region. Least energetic light will be absorbed by everywhere cobalt 3 plus, cobalt 3 plus, cobalt 3 plus, cyanide, ammonia, water. This is arrow is toward this side. What will be the correct order of absorption of wavelength? Maximum wavelength. So this is wrong. Ammonia, this is also wrong. Water, then ammonia, then cyanide. Yeah, with cobalt 3 plus, this is okay. This is also okay. But this is always strong field ligand. This is with cobalt. This should be the correct. Oh my God. Let me clap. Let me put a clap for you. Very speedily, you got the correct answer, kids. Congratulations for you. Speedily and accurately, you got the answer. How you got it? No. There is no weak field ligand. With cobalt, this is also strong. This is also strong. This is also strong. But they are always strong. But this, with the cobalt only, this is acting as strong field ligand. Otherwise, rest of two are always strong. This was the first time. Within no time, you have given the answer accurately and speedily. How you got it? Do let me know. सबसे पहले मैंने दिया. Chaitanya is saying सबसे पहले मैंने दिया. This is known as the concept. The color wheel, I have told you, the spectrochemical series and the oxidation state. Three things all together made you perfect. Wow, Adhya, really? You are saying about 150 and I'm giving guarantee for 180. Thank you, Sujat. Thank you. I'm giving you guarantee for 180. Everyone, whatever is your level, irrespective of that, I'm giving you guarantee for 180. I will take class daily. Okay, Sujat? Daily I will go with live class. But you have to do one thing. You have to share this video with everyone. Will you do that? Make a promise. I want to see that whole world should come over here. Everyone. come for genuine lectures, not the fake lectures, not time wasted lectures. I will keep classes daily. Baba is the one who is going to take class for physical, organic, inorganic. I will take those chapters also. No one is teaching you on YT. No one is teaching everywhere. Don't worry, Sujat. I'm over here. I'm making a promise that I will be giving you 180, just like 3D. If I talk about 3D ligands, 3D metals with ligand, it depends whether strong field, weak field. But with 4D and 5D, ligands does not define what type of things will be there. All ligands will behave as strong field ligand with 4D and 5D. Don't worry, Adya category doesn't mean anything. I will take you to the AIMS. That dream is to take you to the AIMS. AIMS College, the best rank. Marks will be 100%. It will come definitely 680 plus. I will tell you for bio and physics also how to do revision, how to move out. But that only once you make a promise that everyone you are going to tell at least 1 or 2 friends. You are going to share it at least with 2 friends, and they should come live tomorrow. I will take D block questions, inorganic chemistry D block tomorrow. Live, I will come. I will come live, kids, tomorrow. Right now, I am taking this lecture. I am going to take questions. But tomorrow also, I will keep this lecture for D and F block. First of all, do let me know that everyone is going to share it with your friends now. Another question, A and R. The pairing energy so if you are ready for this, if you are agreed for this, I want to see in the chat section, green color, if you are really agreed for that. Those who are really agreed with what I said. Yeah, very good. What I can see, Nimish is saying yes. Yeah, I know biology also, I know physics also. But I'm not saying that I will start teaching bio and physics, but I will tell you how to study. How to study. Wow, that's really fast. Okay. Now here is your question. I hope that visibility of the question is there. Fantastic. I'm stick at 280. Don't worry, Adya. There is one girl, if I tell you the name right now, I'm not able to remember. She was getting 330 marks, but she was having confidence on Baba. I have guided. Now from 330, she has moved to 667 marks. His brother is right now in class 10th. Once, if he is coming to online class, I will tell you that he will tell you. Nimish is the name of brother, and girl student, she is now doing AIMS. I have forgotten. I don't know how, but I can recall the name. From 330 to 660 marks or 67, exactly I don't know, but yeah, it was more than 60, 660. Yeah, it's equally good. Nitantsu, it is equally good for J as well as Neet. 2 years back with the same channel, at that time I was taking somewhere else. One student got 99.99% from YT only. Its name is Shaktiwala. Shaktiwala got 99.99 percentile in chemistry from the same channel, kids. Chaitanya is going for A. And kids, see, these are the students. If I tell you the story of these students, in short, if I tell you the story of these students, let me tell you. Mehak Arora was solving the whole physics, chemistry and bio just in 90 minutes. She got AIR 3rd Ames, at that time Ames was taking separate examinations. She was able to solve the whole paper in 90 minutes. What was the drawback? She was getting negative marks in simple questions. Tough questions she was able to solve quickly, but simple questions she was getting negative marks. But in the same class there was Adishwari, who was getting correctly done all the NCERT questions, simple ones. So what I did, I said you form a group, you sit with Adish, Adish will sit with you, he will be able to do tough questions and you will be able to solve easy questions. Sagar Mishra, whatever the marks he was getting, he was not getting in panic, whatever the score. Then she got Ames third rank, All India third rank, third topper. It's written over here, Mehak Arora and Sagar Mishra qualified both for Ames and IIT. One student asked, is this lecture is good for IIT also? Yes. Now, Mehak Arora's brother Swiss Mishra, he got 715 marks, 715 marks in Neet. And Chaitanya Mittal, Mehak Arora was very silent one, Gambhir Bachchi, and Chaitanya Mittal was very funny. Whenever he was in the class and something he was getting really good, he was start pressing bench and start singing. His group, the whole group got selected in this Ames as well as IIT. Now if I talk about Tanishka Yadav, she has completed whole SN1, SN2 just in 2 hours, the revision. See, on Zoom meeting, I'm taking class of SN1, SN2, alkyl halides hydrolysis. Now, Tanishka's friends were getting at that time 700 plus marks, but Tanishka was getting just ranging from 600, 550 like that. But she was constantly with consistency and regularity, she was kept on going and she was the topper with 715 marks out of 720, my dear students. Yes, when you do, I have left or what happened, I will tell you in detail later on. But yeah, no, I'm not the part. Oh, Kushuga, my cool tube. Kushuga, you are there. Oh, that's really fantastic. I'm so happy to see Kushuga. So why you have not revealed your name? Now, Kushuga, I'm so happy. You made my day. I can't tell you how much happy your Baba is. Now, kids, so these are the toppers. So kids, if you're new to this channel, like and subscribe and tell your friends. I want to see everyone over here. Now see, I'm moving and let me tell you, these questions are of previous JEE question only. Somebody asks, is it good for JEE? Yeah, these questions, all the questions are of from JEE only. What are the questions you are doing? These are JEE questions only. The level of the question you can see, they are not simple one. I'm here not with simple questions. All those questions this year, because COVID pandemic is over. Once the COVID pandemic is over, now NTA will give questions based on NCERT line but on the tougher side. Sir, it is sufficient. It is better than that. You can ask if anyone is present over there. If Baba is teaching, Baba never compromise with the quality, whether it is paid batch or it is for free. I always give my best. Yeah, wow, Shriyad, I will take. Just tomorrow I will take DNF and after that I will teach practical chemistry, analytical chemistry. No one is teaching. Am I right? No one is teaching, so I will teach practical chemistry. Hari Gaming, thank you, thank you. You kids are really rocking, really rocking. But why the chat is not running fast? Let's come back to the question. Everyone, let's come back to the question. I will teach each and everything, whether it is physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, the chapters. No one is teaching. I will let you know. And not only I will teach, I will make it super awesome so that they can directly feed on your hippocampus. So everyone, If you are agreed with what I said, I want to see the chat should running with colors, green color, green hearts, fire, whatever you are getting, make the speed. The chat should run very speedily so that I can go with this question. I can see the Josh. The chat should make the chat like train. Train is moving out. Sir, please, organic practical, mind map, organic practical, inorganic, salt analysis, each and everything you are going to get over here, kids. Each and everything, but make the chat should look like a train. Chat should look like a train. Kids, fast, speedily. The Josh in the chat. I want to see that Josh in the chat, kids. That's really fantastic. Now, come back to this question and try to answer this question. Let's see who is going to get accurate answer. Okay, now time, the ball is in your court. Let me stand over here so that you can, very good kids, very good for your efforts, for your Josh. That's really fantastic, fantastic. Arey, wow, my cool tube, see. Saisi Kushagra has written, Sahu, if you need Hindi explanation. Okay, kids, let me tell you, whatever I am explaining in English, should I explain in English also? Mujhko Hindi bahut अच्छे से आती है. I am a guru. I have been teaching for the last 27 years, out of which 20 years I had been teaching in English only. So, I will do one thing. जो भी इंग्लिश में पढ़ाऊंगा उसको इंग्लिश में रिपीट करूंगा. कितने लोगों को चाहिए? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डू लेट मी नो, राइट डाउन मी. कितने लोगों को इंग्लिश में चाहिए? 10. वेरी गुड कुशाग्र, रियली आई एम ह्यूज फैन ऑफ यू. Whatever Kushagra has written, definitely that means a lot. You call your friends, you call your English friends, and I will teach whatever I am teaching English. मैं उनको हिंदी means English में भी repeat करूँगा so that concept clarity should come. Because my mother tongue is English only, Hindi only, right? Write down मुझे लिखो मुझे नितांदु, very good. Chaitanya, very good. Sohu, Sohun, very good. क्या बात है, माशाल्लाह. Sir, do the language of your most comfort. English is good. Wow, छा गए तुम लोग, तुसी great हो. जहाँ पना कबूल करो. अच्छा बताओ मेरी English कैसी है, जरा बताओ. हे भाई, सबको समझाएगा ये HSP. हिंदी हो, इंग्लिश हो या इंग्लिश हो, लैंग्वेज का कोई बैरियर ना हो, सारी बाधाएं हट जाएं और सिलेक्शन की तरफ अपनी मंजिल आसान हो जाए. HSP बाबा नाम है. हिंदी में भी पढ़ाता हूं, इंग्लिश में भी पढ़ाता हूं, इंग्लिश में भी पढ़ाता हूं. इनऑर्गेनिक में 4 देना है. अच्छा, कितने लोग चाहते हो कि इनऑर्गेनिक शुड कम विथ मोस्ट क्लैरिटी? यस, कितने लोग इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में बादशाह बनना चाहते हो, बेताज बादशाह? Aura, thank you. Now, my dear students, tell me my English is good or not good. I want to see. Oh, Mitaru, you are Neet. Now, what I'm going to do for Neet 2027 students, always I will keep on putting 15 minutes video lecture or 20 minutes video lecture every day. For example, ionic equilibrium. Ionic equilibrium I will divide into 50 lectures or 100 lectures, each made up of 15 minutes. I will keep on posting videos and I will make perfect those who are in class 11th or those who are in class 12th. Are very good, Sohun, very good. Bhalobashi. Wow, Saria, Shriya, very good. Mast hai sir aapka Hindi. Very good, Nitantu, very good. Now everyone, come to this question. Now come back everyone, come back so that we can finish this lecture just within 15 to 20 minutes. और कुशाग्र मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, मेरा दिल बहुत खुश हुआ क्योंकि your dedication level is very good and I was thinking who is my cool tube. Kushagri, you are so dedicated, really. Now kids, come to this question and do let me know what's the answer. नितांदु जेई मेंस अप्रैल अटेम्प्ट में कोई बात नहीं, आई विल मेक एवरीथिंग क्लियर. नितांशु डोंट वरी. 360 with 360 degree I will start teaching. Okay, how many more questions? Okay, so questions left are not many questions. See, only few questions are left. See, only 1 2 3 4 5 6 questions left. Only 6 questions. Okay, only 6 questions means hardly 10 to 15 minutes, right? सर वो ज्योति है कौन? ओके मित्सुरी, थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू. Yeah, it is there. It's not given an NCERT, but somewhere it is given. So remember that. Now, kids, let's see. What should be the answer? Mark the answer. Mark the answer, then I will explain this question. Speedily, mark the answer, then I will explain this question. Kids, mark the answer, then I will explain this question. Speedily. Prajwal, okay. Okay, Prajwal, no worries. Gender problem is not there. All are students. 4 questions हैं बस. आलेश सर कितने बार बताऊं? चैतन्य, fantastic. Now mark the answer fast, so that I can explain it. A low spin tetrahedral complex are rarely observed. Wow, oh, Rangaswamy, nice words, nice words. Words means concept. Wow, this is the fact. This is the fact. This is true. First one is true, very true. I would like to say very true, very true. Now, what's the answer? Why it's very true? Why it's being very true? Should I explain? Should I explain? Should I explain? You are going for A. Let's see. A is the correct answer. How many of you want? Now see, if I draw tetrahedral, any compound is being tetrahedral. So I would like to say if one ligand, this is central metal atom, one ligand is placed over here, another ligand is placed over here, one more ligand is placed over here, one more ligand is placed over here. Now you can see, if you draw the line, you will come to know that in case of tetrahedral, this is a central metal atom. Central metal atom forming a bond. Now, these are the lone pair of ligands. These are the lone pair of ligand. Ligand के lone pair हैं जो इस मेटल को इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर रहे हैं और जिनके कारण ये बॉन्ड बन रहा है. This angle is formed by because of electron donation by ligands. Ligands अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन मेटल को दे रहे हैं. This path, you can say this is the path. जिस path से these electrons are coming to metal. Now metal will have its own electron. Metal will have its own electron and metals के electron कैसे होंगे? अगर if I talk about the D is like this, and in D if I say that 1 2 3 4, these 3 are T2G, so I will say dxy, dyz, dzx like that, and these two will be T2G, dx square, y square and dz square. Now if you see the chemistry, if you see their orientation, you know that orientation is saying these two, they are on the axis. They are on the axis. इनके orbitals axis पे होते हैं और इन तीनों के electrons किस पे होते हैं? इन तीनों के electrons किस पे होते हैं? Their electrons are in between the axis. In between axis. Am I right, kids? In between axis. So if I draw over here on the axis, in between the axis, so let me take one marker of different pen. So if I'm selecting this pen, and if I draw like this, dx y, or say y, and if I say z, so if you see, इसके जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं, मेटल के इलेक्ट्रॉन dx dy, so dx square y square dz square, if I say this is like dx square, this is x-axis, so dx square and y square will lie over here, dx square y square and dz square will lie over here. So these paths are far away from the ligand, but if I draw for dxy, the dxy where will be in between x and y axis, so it will be somewhere here. Are you getting my point? This will be somewhere here. Now who is experiencing more force of a repulsion? dxy, if I draw those like this, तो कौन ज्यादा पास है इन ligands के? If I say this is dxy, if I call it this is dxy, तो आपको कुछ समझ में आया होगा कि इस ligand के ज्यादा करीब कौन है? Who is more nearest to this ligand? Who is more nearest to this ligand? The dx square y square or dxy, these are more closer, but they are not exactly on the path. This is central metal and this is ligand. This is ligand's electrons and this is central metal atom. They are not ligand's electrons are not directly experiencing force of repulsion, by central metal atom. I hope कुछ समझ में आया आपको. I hope कुछ समझ में आया. I hope C is sassy. कुछ समझ में आया. कुछ समझ में आया तो आंसर both A and R are correct. What their crystal field splitting energy is less than pairing energy for tetrahedral, because they are not getting repulsion force directly. इनकी कार direct hit नहीं कर रही है. No direct hitting. No direct hitting means no more repulsion. So both correct explanation. R is the correct explanation. Energy. So this you got it. That's why those who are really able to understand, show me green hearts. If you're not able to understand, I will explain once again. ये सब मैं दोबारा explain कर दूंगा. If you're not able to understand, then do let me know, kids. I will explain once again. But at least show me either green hearts for understanding, because it's not easy. It's not easy. Green hearts for understanding and fire for not understanding. बोले तो झकाश मोहित शर्मा. Now मुझे पता है कि आप नहीं बता पाओगे, so I am going to make it. See kids, I am going to make it. ये सेंट्रल मेटल एटम की कहानी, राजा रानी की कहानी मैंने तुमको है सुनानी. दिस इज एक्स एक्सिस, दिस इज वाई एक्सिस एंड दिस इज जेड एक्सिस. ये सेंट्रल मेटल एटम की कहानी है. राइट? सो दिस इज एक्स एक्सिस, this is y-axis and this is z-axis, right? If I show you the location, if I show you these 5 orbitals location, if I show you these 5 orbitals location, I would like to say they are divided into dxy, dyz, dzx, and they are divided into dx square, y square. So we call them to be T2g, and we call them to be Eg. We call them these to be Eg. Now T2g, they are like dxy, dyz, dzx, and the Eg1 are dx square, dy square and dz square. मैं अभी कहता हूं कि सेंट्रल मेटल एटम अकेला है, सिंगल. उसकी अभी शादी नहीं हुई है. He has not got married. Now let me show you central metal atom is akela. Metal atom is single. Single. No ligands are there. Single means he is free. He is free. अभी इसकी शादी नहीं हुई है बच्चा, he is not married, he is a single right now. Now he is single right now. So whatever the orbitals, whatever the electrons, they are there, they are its own electrons. Now this you got it first of all. मोहित शर्मा इज राइटिंग, आप मुझे अच्छे लगे, सच्चा हूं इसीलिए अच्छा लगा हूं. Hit the like button and share it to everyone. Now see kids, everyone see to it. I will make it very clear so that everyone can understand it. See kids, Baba will make it clear to each and everyone so that everyone will really feel. Yeah. Now if I draw dxy, x और y के बीच में होगा dxy. So if I say I'm going to draw dxy, what is the location of dxy? So I will say in between x and y, double dumbled. अगर समझ में आया तो बोलो yes, dx y. Now dxy, this is also x and this is also y. So I will say dxy. Now इसको z को अभी थोड़ी देर के लिए हटा देते हैं so that everyone can understand. Oh z भाई हटेगा कैसे तुम? हट गया. Wow, ये Baba has become pro. dx and y. So if I say dx and y, ये first है और first पे in between x and y, it will be like this, double dumbled. How many of you are able to understand? Do let me know. These are dxy, double dumbled. So this is in between x and y axis. They are in between x and y axis. जहां से लीगेंड का रास्ता होगा. अभी लीगेंड आया नहीं है इनकी जिंदगी में क्योंकि भाई अकेले हैं, इनकी अभी शादी नहीं हुई है. He is not married, he is not formed a complex compound. If he is alone, he would be like this only, he would be like this only. अकेला होगा तो ऐसा होगा, इसके इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ऐसे होंगे. He will be like this. Okay kids? Now if I draw, these are metal atoms orbital. If I say dyz, so let me remove this one. Now I will write xz, dxz. How it will look like kids? I hope you got it. dxz, तो dxz के बीच में होगा. It will be like this, in between axis, still in between axis. Am I right kids? Double dumbled in between axis kids. If you are able to understand, show me green heart so that quickly I can tell you kids. You are forgetting the things. अगर मजा आ रहा है, समझ आएगा तो मजा आएगा, मजा आएगा तो समझ आएगा, समझ आएगा तो मजा आएगा, मजा आएगा तो समझ आएगा. बोलो भैया जयकारा. Yes, now like that only zx. Now I would like to tell you dx square y square, and here only if I tell you dx square y square, how I will draw dx square y square, then they are exactly lying on the axis. So I will make like this, dx square double dumbled and dy square. Now ये जो एक्सिस है यही रास्ता है. अभी लीगेंड आएगा, अभी इनकी शादी नहीं हुई लेकिन शादी होगी, मीन्स मैरिड. इफ दे आर गेटिंग मैरिड, द लीगेंड कम्स फ्रॉम द path of this axis only. Ligand says I will not come in between. Wow, thank you V Shyam. आप ये भी ट्रैक करते हो V Shyam, that's really fantastic. Wow Baba, your live class views, NTA sample paper lecture 9.5K views. Wow, thank you. Future, you are popular views in lakhs. Oh, thank you, really thanks. Wow bacha, wow. Bole to ye. Now this version you are liking, I'm teaching in English and I'm explaining in English also. In this way, do you think that English people of our country will get benefited? Kids, do let me know. जो मैं oh wow Sohanam, अरे मोहित शर्मा, वाओ किड्स, डू लेट मी नो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो मैं इंग्लिश में पढ़ा रहा हूँ इन इंग्लिश में उसको रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, दैट इज रियली, बोले तो झकास. थैंक यू. नाउ dx square y square. Now if I say I'm going to draw dz square, if I'm going to dz square, so dz square will be like this. See, if I say that dz square, so dz square dz square, how the dz square will look like. This is also part of Eg. So dz square is like this on the z axis, and its conical nodes only this is like this, and it is fused over here. It is fused over here. It is fused, and these are the conical nodes. These are the two conical nodes. Now, kids, these are the two conical nodes. Now, this is also on the axis. Now, who is on the axis? Who is in between the axis? Is it clear to all of you kids? So these T2G, मैं अभी central metal atom की बात कर रहा हूँ. These central metal atoms, they are in between axes. These are in between. Their orbitals are in between axes, and their orbitals are exactly on the axis. EGs are exactly on the axis, right? Now, if I tell you for octahedral, if I tell you something for octahedral, now see kids, for octahedral, if I tell you for octahedral, you have seen where their ligands are placed. So let me tell you dx, first let me draw for central metal atom. Central metal atom, if I say this is x square, y square, am I right? X square, y square. And if I say this is z square, this is of central metal atoms, ligands way. Are you getting my point, kids? This is central metal atoms orbitals place. इनके electrons यहाँ पे घूमते हैं. Their electrons will be moving in this area. Their electron, this is I'm saying central metal atoms electrons only. They are moving somewhere here. If they would have been free, they are moving like this. They are, their orbitals positions are like this. Are you getting my point? Now I'm combining. I have combined all T2G and EG. Now it will become very tough. Once the T2G and EG is being combined, it is going to become very tough. Now, where is the position of dxy? Dxy, this is in between x and y axis. Dxy, it's like this. Are you getting my point? xy, dyz, dzx, like this. Okay. Now let me tell you, I'm drawing for octahedral. First, let me copy it. Then I will tell you for tetrahedral as well as for octahedral, right? First of all, let me draw for octahedral. The octahedral ligands will approach. This is the area of ligands. They are approaching with their electrons from axis. Now, who is finding more repulsion? Kids, do let me know. Who is finding more repulsion? Who is finding more repulsion? Tell me, who is finding more repulsion? Ligands are coming from this way. Their electron, iska electron, Rani, electron is like Rani, and iska electron, they will say, hey, direct collision, इनके बीच में repulsion हो जाएगा. दो रानियों के बीच की लड़ाई हो जाएगी. Two Rani. Oh, Akata, your name is tough. Akatsuki. Am I pronunciating it right? Amatkushi, Bimla, Dangi, thank you, thank you. So, the repulsion in between ligands electrons, the repulsion, and this is central metal atoms electron, this is a ligands electron, there will be fight. In between two Ranis, there will be force of repulsion, there is much. So, EG will find more repulsion. Due to more repulsion, their energy will increase. Now you see, these are T2G, they are far away from, so T2G's energy will decrease. T2G, these are T2G, they are far from ligands electron, their energy will decrease. Energy will decrease. I hope that you got it. Energy will decrease. This is the reason T2G also in the octahedral. T2G is on the lower side and EG are on the upper side. I hope that this much is clear. If this much is clear, show me green hearts so that I can tell you. Only I will take 5 to 10 minutes more, kids. 5 to 10 minutes more so that I can explain each and everything. Just to let me know that this concept clarity is there. You got it. Let me see in the chat section. Everyone, till now, is it clear? Everyone, just to let me know. Till now, is it clear? Show me green hearts if you're really able to understand. Then I will tell you for tetrahedral. Then I'm going to tell you tetrahedral, because this is given, the representation is given very good in Tamil Nadu board, but in NCERT it's not given up to that extent. That's why in today's video I have explained there that something given very clearly in Tamil Nadu board but missing in NCERT, and that's why that is going to decide the achievement, that's as a success, as a goal, hitting the goal. Kids, do let me know. Everyone, just do let me know. Fantastic. Now, let me tell you for T2G so that concept clarity will be there. Just see. Now, I'm going to tell you for T2G. Sorry, I'm going to tell you for tetrahedral. Tetrahedral. Now, the case of tetrahedral, the ligands will not come from this axis, on the axis. The ligands approach will be like this. Ligands, let me take some very good color. Okay, let me take this color. Ligands will come from this side. See, that, oh, mosquito. Ligands will come like this. One ligand, another ligand, third ligand, and that's this. I'm drawing the tetrahedral case. This is the ligand. Just see the ligand. Ligands are coming from this way because it's being tetrahedral. Now, who is directly on the path of ligand? Who is directly? These are ligands electrons. These are ligands electrons. Ligands की रानियां हैं, marriage हो गई. Now atom is not single. Atom is not single, and there also atom was not single. So let me remove this. Atom has bonded with metal. Oh, just wait, kids. He's saying, hey, hey, it's clear. So no, two questions are more. So after that, I will make it clear. So ligands, oh, metal bonded with the ligands. Here, metal bonded with the ligands. Metal plus ligand got married. Metal plus ligands. So Rani will say, hey. Now here also, metal plus ligand, not the free. Here also, metal bonded with the ligand. Now, so no electron of ligand is directly, no ligand electron is directly colliding with what? With metal's orbital. That's why its energy is less. Are you getting my point? No electron of ligand is colliding directly with central metal atom or ion. So energy will be less splitting. Energy will be less. We call it less splitting, and that's why we framed out that formula. We have gone with that formula, that tetrahedral energy is 4 by 9 times that of octahedral from here. Everyone, is it clear? Everyone, is it clear? नहीं समझ में आया? जैद को समझ में नहीं आया. कितने लोगों को समझ में आया, कितनों को नहीं आया? जिनको आया ग्रीन हार्ट्स, जिनको नहीं आया फायर. फास्ट so that we can clear with this. जिनको समझ में आया green hearts, जिनको नहीं समझ में आया fire, so that I can get clarity about that. How many of you are really able to understand and how many you are not able to understand? Because Sujatan sir, on doubt, it is something like this. In octahedral complexes, only energy D. Wow, very good. I'm not Okay, I will do one thing. I will keep one class for this. Okay, Sujatan, I will keep one class, but do let me know how many of you are able to understand and how many of you are not able to understand. Then I will keep one class so that everyone can understand this concept. Right now, question and answer session is going on, so that I can't make it again and again, but at least I should get an idea about that. How many of you? Very good, very good. Now, this is going to be the second last question. So this was the answer. This is the explanation, and this, and almost it's ended. All the questions we have done, because this question is, see, I was telling you it is J mains. This is going to be the last question. I was telling you I am giving quality questions. Yes, if you're right. Got it, got it. I will make it clear, Sujatan, because time is not there. So I will tell you someday. Okay? कभी बताऊंगा एक दो दिन में. I will let you know, right? Now, kids, do let me know what's this is the last question. This is going to be the last question, and I have given you all the questions of JEE Mains which are supposed to come in your NEET 2026. All the questions we have done, today's questions were of JEE Mains, which will come, JEE Mains, which will come in NEET 2026. That's why expected for NEET 2026. This is the most important thing. Now, kids, do let me know what should be the answer. If you're really getting it, what should be the answer, kids? Do let me know. Fast, fast. Do let me know what should be the answer. I'm waiting for your answer. This is the last question. For CFT. Yeah, yes. CFT. I will keep one class for CFT. Kushagri, you want to know that? You want to get that CFT class? I will keep it. Okay, don't worry. I will take crystal field stabilization theory class. I will make the visibility very clear, right? Let me, if I'm having, I'm having orbitals shape also. I made some days back that thing, right? Now B, Kushagra is going for B. So the correct order of spin only magnetic moment of metal. So you are supposed to find out unpaired electrons. Unpaired electron. Now where we can find out unpaired electrons? This question is going to be a little bit tough. So first of all, let's see. Let's start solving. Chromium. Chromium, ammonia is strong field ligand. Chromium, actually chromium's electronic configuration is 4s1. Chromium is 3d5. 4s1, but here it is in 2 plus. So chromium 2 plus is 1 electron from here, 1 electron from here, so it will be 3d4. 3d4 once got shifted, so it will be chromium 4 electrons. 4 electrons will come like this, so it is in need of 2, so it will start filling from here. D2 sp3 strong field ligand. This is being a strong field ligand. So this space is empty, this space is empty, 4 electrons, so they will remain like this. So n value is 2. Whenever the n value is 2, you have to apply Bohr magneton formula. Bohr magneton will be under root n into n plus 2. So it will come out something 2 point something, 2 point something, 2 point something, 2.8 something, right? 2.8 something, it will come out like that. Okay, now if I go for iron, let me go for iron. What it should be, iron is in 6, 2 plus, so iron 2 plus, 4s2 will go 3d6, 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 and this is being again a strong field ligand. So 3d6, I will go like this, 1 2 3 4. and it will acquire 2 d2sp3 d2sp3 d2sp3. So its electrons, 6 electrons will have to shift like this. So its the value of n is 0, so it is dimagnetic. Bohr magneton will be 0. Bohr magneton will be 0. So least. So they are asking for, let's say, magnetic moment of metal. So iron one is least. So iron one, everywhere it is given least. So this can't be the answer. Answer will be from here. And ruthenium and vanadium. Now let's solve for vanadium also in this way. Let's solve for vanadium. Science teacher, very crazy man, very crazy. 23. It is 23. So 23 and 2 plus. So 2 plus 3d3. Whether the ligand is strong field, weak field, doesn't matter. Its n value is 3. Its n value is 3. So its Bohr magneton will be 3 point something, 3.9 something, right? So till now you can see vanadium is greater than that of chromium. Vanadium is greater than that of chromium, so it can't be the answer. Vanadium is greater than that of chromium, can be answer. Vanadium is greater than, so out of these two be the answer. Now we have to solve for ruthenium also. See kids, iron, ruthenium, cesium. So Feruose, if you remember, Feru is iron, ruthenium, osmium. It's like this. So it's something like iron only, but little bit it can be different. See, here it was 2 plus, here it is 3 plus. 3 plus means one more electron has lost, one more electron. So one value, it will come out near about 1. I think 1 will come out. So 1 point something, 1.73 Bohr magneton. So maximum till now of vanadium is maximum. After that is chromium is there. So I will go with B. Oh my God, you are better than Baba H.S.P. Your answer I can see. Oh my God, let's see the answer. Yeah, congratulations, but you have solved it. Solved it before what Baba is saying, kids. Congratulations, really, you are awesome. You kids are really awesome, kids. See, this is very, very important, kids. Very, very important. Very, very important. I would like to say it's really very, very important. I hope that everyone got it. Everyone is able to understand. So share it to maximum people. Really, it is going to change your life. And daily I will keep classes in the evening. If I'm taking marathon for teaching, I will keep it in the afternoon or morning. Otherwise, this type of session I would like to take all the time. एवरी इवनिंग आई एम हियर, आई विल बी प्रेजेंट ओवर हियर. मैं हर शाम को इस तरह का सेशन रखूँगा. मुझे बताइए जल्दी से कि सभी लोग एग्रीड हो. सभी लोग आओगे, जल्दी से बताओ. 11 कुशाग्र, ज्योति, चैतन्य, शशि, Sujat. First of all, do let me know, because these type of sessions are going to help you a lot. Kids, do let me know speedily. So if he is absolutely correct, kids, everyone share it to maximum students and tell them, because sharing is caring. If we are helping others, Almighty God is going to help us a lot. All the best. Bye to all of you. Take care. Wow, Visham, thank you. Maja aega, really, we are going to enjoy a lot. So, good night to all of you. Milte hain kal. We'll meet you again tomorrow with DNF, right? All the best. Share it to maximum people and subscribe the channel. Tell them, because this channel is going to be, wow, Rumba Sulvam, the best. Bye-bye. Good night. Yes, DNF. Sujat, DNF. Chaitanya, bye, beta. My cool tube. Kushagra, bye. Visham, bye. Bye to all of you kids. Take care. Do proper revision. 11 bye beta. Ceci, bye bacha. Take care everyone. And once this lecture is over, because it is over, I'm going to end the stream. In the comment section, you have to tell me how was the lecture, how much you have enjoyed, okay? I'll be waiting for your response, and I will give back reply, written reply. सुजात, धन्यवाद आपका भी पढ़ने के लिए एंड ठीक से रिविजन करने के लिए। चैतन्य, कल एक लंबी क्लास रखेंगे, अभी के लिए इतना ही, बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग यू। या थैंक यू कुशाग्र इज द वन हु इज ऑलवेज saying that take care Baba, take care. And this option is missing over, this option is, so let me make it over here, let me shift a bit. See how much Baba is taking care, what is written, what is not written. See kids, Baba is always taking care of each and everything. So Baba will take care of you kids also, so that you should get the best. Okay? Bye. Bye. आप सबकी रैंक आए, ये दिल से दुआ करता हूँ, और हारना नहीं है. There is one song in Hindi. रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बाहर के. ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही. One more song is there in Hindi. आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, हो सके तो इसमें सारी पढ़ाई कर डालो, पल जो ये जाने वाला है, आने वाला पल जाने वाला है. अरे हो सके तो इसमें सारी पढ़ाई कर डालो, पल जो ये जाने वाला है. ऑल द बेस्ट किड्स, मिलते हैं, शोर मचाते हैं, समझ आएगा तो मजा आएगा. ऑल द बेस्ट, and always say to yourself that you are an important person. Once you say that you are important, you will do each and everything like an important person. Where there is a will, there is a way. Once you decide, all the obstacles in your path will disappear, and the means to the achievement of the goal will appear in front of you. Bye. 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 Take care. Take care.